pimp, not a simp. A pimp, not a simp. A pimp, not a simp. We eat so many shrimp. I got iodine partners.
My bitch a choosy lover, never fuck without a rubber. Never in the sheets like it on top of the cover. Money on the dresser, drive a compressor.
A baby.
Get the most, not the lesser. Trash like the fuck with $40 in the club. Fucking up the game, bitch, it gets no love. She be cross country, giving all that she got. 1,000 a pop, I'm pulling business off the line. I smashed up the gray one, bought me a red. Every time we hit the parking lot, we turn head. Some hoes wanna choose, but them bitches too scary. Your bitch chose me, you ain't a pimp, you a fairy.
A pimp, not a simp. A pimp, not a simp. A pimp, not a simp. We eat so many shrimp. I got iodine partners.
Baby, you been rolling solo, time to get down with the team. The grass is greener on that other side. If you know what I mean, I show you shit you never seen. The 7 wonders of the world. And I can make you the 8th if you wanna be my girl. I say my girl, I don't mean my woman, that ain't my style. Need a real street stalker, walk a green mile. Piling up the paper on the dining room table, cause you able to realize I'm the truth and not a fable. Baby, rockin' Russian sable, keep that chiller on the rack. What I look like with some $1,000 shit up on my back. I'm a $1 million man, they need a $1 billion bitch. Put my pimpin' in your life, watch your daddy get rich. Easy as ABC, simple as 1, 2, 3. Get down with UGK, Pimp CBU with B. Cause what's a hoe with no pimp, and what's a pimp with no hoe? Don't be a lame, you know the game and how it goes. We try to get toes.
A pimp, not a simp. A pimp, not a simp. A pimp, not a simp. We eat so many shrimp. I got iodine partners.
Hello, everybody. It is Artie of Artie's Corporate Fiction. Happy Friday to all of you. We got a really awesome lineup tonight. I see Kfar in the chat. What's up, man? Hey, Kfar already covered this, but I feel like I got to get on the train because I haven't seen any of it. But we're gonna go through the trio of Bama Mike's videos on this particular First Amendment auditor / sovereign citizen. I've seen any of them, for the record, and we're gonna play some bingo with it. I'm sure it's probably gonna be some bingo boxes filled up out here. But I appreciate you guys coming in. I have links to the videos in the description, so if you want to check them out without my annoying pauses and annoying jokes and annoying voice, you can go directly there whenever you want. Linux guy, thank you for the $5. LL Tiff's appeal was denied. North Thornton Township ballot for her. Oh, I haven't gotten any I haven't looked at any updates from Miss Henyard. To be honest, I'm just waiting for the federal charges to drop. That's basically what I'm waiting for when it comes to Henyard. But should be fun to see. Let's go to the main event. Yeah. So we got this one first up and running, and I think it should be fun. Hold on, let me make sure I got the chat right. Okay, I think we're okay. Okay, everybody get your drink. My eek is right here sitting next to me. What? We already played. We were having some quality time earlier, and now he wants to have more of it. All right. We're going to go in 3, 2, 1, go.
Recording.
600 Long City Beach Parkway.
Yeah, I got him at 59.
Nice. Okay. West Palmer's not too far off.
Yeah. How's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
I'm Officer Woodall, Panama City Beach Police Department. The reason I got you stopped tonight is I got you at 59 and a 45. Any reason we're going that fast tonight?
Just in a hurry to get home.
Just in a hurry to get home? Okay. All right. Anybody else in the car with you? Okay. Where are we coming from tonight?
Post office, checking the P.O. box.
Post office?
Yeah,
Okay.
back home.
Got your driver's license, registration,
No,
proof of
no, I
insurance?
haven't.
Do you have a license?
No, sir.
Oh, no. Oh no. Okay. United States. The Florida Assembly. This is not okay. So this is not an actual passport. If it's the issuing authority. Nationality USA, Florida. And then the problem that I see is at the very bottom, it has U.S. Department of State. Now, if you really want to push it, I mean, you could probably get charged for this. Although, is it really saying the Department of State? But if he has a seal on there, using the U.S. seal can actually get you some federal charges for either fraud or forgery. I think it's forgery. But, yeah.
No. Say again?
Not in commerce.
Not in commerce?
Not in commerce.
Down the road.
Okay. Well, to drive a vehicle in the state of Florida, you have to have a license.
No, you don't.
Yes, sir,
I'll
you
take
do.
my property back now.
No, you won't.
No, you're not
Nope.
gonna take my property.
Well,
No. We're keeping this. Or we should be keeping this.
I didn't say I was going to take it.
Well, you're not giving it
I'm
back.
going to hold on to it right now.
No, you're not.
Yes.
No, you're not.
All right.
That is not your property.
So, right now you're being detained
For what?
for traffic infractions.
Are there any victims?
You are...
Where's the...
You are
Where's the
lawfully
victim?
detained at this moment.
You want to get your supervisor?
Oh, supervisor.
You can go ahead and step out.
No, I won't. You get your supervisor.
So you can go ahead and step out of the vehicle.
I'm not stepping out of the vehicle. You've lost your damn mind. There's no victims.
Yeah.
You guys just run around being a mafia. It's ridiculous.
Mafia.
There's no victims. You guys
Excuse me, they're road pirates?
decide what laws are laws. Everything's backwards. Give me my passport back.
You go ahead and call for 25 or 12.
Yeah.
All right, so
Go ahead and call the sheriff down here. I'm not,
you can go ahead and get out of the vehicle,
I'm not
or I'm
getting
going
out
to
of
get
the
you out of the vehicle.
I'm calling 911.
Oh, God. Oh, man. Maybe we should add calling 911 to both the body cam as well as the sovereign citizen bingos. I feel like I'm seeing it more and more often.
Report this emergency.
Okay.
Get your emergency lights are running.
I haven't tried. He's also about to call 911.
12 or 25?
Or
Let's call
19.
19's on too. So 25. That for, sir. We can have you tonight, sir. Conferences requesting your presence.
I know my rights, and I'm not letting you drink.
Okay.
Oh, I know my rights. I'm pretty sure that's in the sovereign citizen bit. But if not, maybe it's I know it's in the auditor one. But I know my rights. Mark it.
Well, I have two police officers with their emergency lights on.
All right, come on outside.
No, who are you?
I'm Officer Melch with Beach PD. Okay.
Get off of me.
We'll play this game.
Wow.
Ooh. Oh, okay. So already this dude going to one. He's like, this is the worst. Man, I'm sorry. I can't even speak. But holy shit. Oh, sorry. Let me. The browser's at max. There we go.
Police officers with their emergency lights on.
All right, come on outside.
No, who are you?
I'm Officer Melch with Beach PD. Okay.
Get off of me.
We'll play this game.
Wow. For what?
Get out of the car.
Get out of the
Do you
vehicle.
hear this? Do you hear this? What is this for? What is this?
Right now, you're resisting arrest.
Why are you arresting me? All right, I'll get out. I'll get out.
Get out of the car now.
I'm getting out. I agree.
I'm not letting go of you. Get out.
I agree. You gotta let go of my leg.
Get out of the fucking
All
car.
right, I'm out.
Turn around.
What is all this
Face the
about?
car.
Turn around.
What is this? Oh. Hello? Two police officers. Oh,
Beach, we're fighting.
yeah, hello? Can you hear me?
Oh my God! Is that the 911 dispatch?
I don't know what's going on. Being harassed and detained unlawfully.
You got him?
I got one.
Okay,
What-
I'm going to get the
What
other
is
one.
all
You
this
ready?
about? What is this about? Here, I'll go along with you guys.
I feel like again he knows exactly what this is about. It's not like he's shocked that by them stopping him. So it's just a lie that he says like playing dumb like this.
Fight again.
He's about to go to trial.
all this about? What is this about? What is this about? Call your supervisor
We're at
here right
Orange
now.
Therapy.
Get your fucking supervisor. Holy shit, you guys are scumbags.
You ready to take him
Yeah,
down?
they're gonna be at the craft bar in front north. All right.
28.
What is this? For going down the road? I'm traveling home.
Put your hands behind
Traveling home.
your back.
All right, get off me.
Yeah, well, supervisor should be marked.
Get
off me.
48. Right. Get that hand.
Get off of me. Holy shit. What is all this for? I don't.
Perfect. All right, you ready for the
What
other?
is all this for?
Yeah. Put your hand behind your back. Now you're resisting arrest.
Why am I being arrested?
Behind your back.
Ow! Ow!
Put your
Hang
hand
on,
behind
hang
your
on. I'll
back.
go with you.
Put your hand behind your back.
I will. Oh. What the is this shit?
Come on, supervisor. You got supervisor. What can I do for you?
I don't know. They're detaining me unlawfully for some reason. I don't even know why.
Okay, well, we'll talk about that in just a second.
Holy shit. This is ridiculous.
I thought I was down there first. That's why I
Oh
rolled
my
up.
Jesus.
So what do you need to talk to me about, bud?
I'm trying to go home and these guys are over here doing all this shit.
Well, you're home for the night to be in the Bay County Jail.
Why? For what?
Resisting an officer.
And battery.
Why?
Yeah, resisting obstruction and battery on the LEO, based on what he did when that officer opened the door.
What?
You kicked me in the chest.
Let's see the
Yep,
video.
there it is.
Yeah, it's right here.
I would love to.
Go and grab it. I got this.
Let me sit up. Let me sit up.
Hold on.
48 penalties. I downgraded
What
at
the
Waste
fuck?
from
You
tonight.
guys are a mafia. I thought you were here to play.
Are you hurting anywhere, bud? Are you hurting anywhere, buddy?
Yeah. You slamming my head in the ground.
1, 2, 3, up. All right, where's your hurt?
This is ridiculous.
I'm not seeing any open. Would you want EMS to come check you out?
Sure, yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
How far did you get with him?
What's that, sir?
How far did you get with him as far
So
as
when I call EMS
checking
to
stuff?
ask for
Searching or-
chief complaint, what's your chief complaint going to be when I tell them? Is that pain?
You good?
Yeah. A little
Grab my
breath.
wrist.
Okay.
Yeah, handcuffs something. I don't. I'm being arrested for going home. What is going on? Why are you covering me?
Yeah, it says 796 only. Reference head pain and
No, sit, just
No,
sober,
there's no warrant,
license.
but I'm being detained unlawfully.
Ask him to get out of the
You
vehicle.
got nothing. Why are you forcing me out of the vehicle? I provided identification, which lawfully is all I was supposed to do. I let them know who I was. This is ridiculous.
Oh, so you got anything in your pocket? You stick your poke me,
No.
drugs, labs, anything like that?
No. I got a wallet, and that's about it.
I got your money right here. I'm going to count it in front of you. That way you don't have to 20, 30, 45,
10-4, thank you.
46, 47, 48, 49. Sticking that right back in your pocket.
All right.
Hey, you wanna get in the blanket? You wanna get in the heated
Don't worry,
blanket?
there's plenty of video of it.
He wants to get in the heated blanket.
Oh, put it in my car.
But take your head off real quick and toss it in your vehicle.
It's just-
We'll do that in just 1 second. We're going to secure for you.
I got dogs at home and stuff. I got a dog that's about to die.
Put him on.
And I'm just trying to go home. Y'all are arresting me for no reason. This is outright. You guys don't care? Really? Just gonna arrest people trying to go home?
Well, the reason why they stopped you was for speeding. Remember that was the original purpose of the stop.
I'd like to call the sheriff down here.
Have a seat, sir. Well, the only sheriff's representative you can talk to is at the Bay County Jail tonight. We're not going to call a sheriff's office.
I want to talk to the magistrate before you take me to jail.
Nope, that's not how it happens. Have a
Yes,
seat
it
in the
is.
vehicle.
That's exactly how it happens.
I'm going to pull him in.
I demand to see the magistrate before you haul me to
Sit
jail.
inside, otherwise you're going to be pulled through.
I'll get in, but I just want to make
Sit
sure that's
inside.
on the camera.
It's right here.
So you do not have to see the magistrate before going to jail. It's just that you have to see the magistrate pretty quickly afterwards. I think a maximum of 2 days for like a weekend. So that's basically it.
Buddy.
All right, I just want to make
Scoot
sure
your
that
butt in.
I told you I was.
Get in.
You guys are some monsters. This is
Yep.
ridiculous.
Lean back.
I mean, do y'all go through this much stuff with bad people? You have to act like this with everybody? This is downright ridiculous. Oh, man. Just trying to go home
There we go.
to feed some animals.
You alright? Yeah.
You hurt?
No.
12 action. 12, go ahead.
Alright. So, Mr. Thomason, tonight you're being placed under arrest for resisting with violence, resisting without violence, and you're also getting a citation for speed tonight.
What was I resisting for?
What do you mean?
Like, why were you arresting me? What was the charge?
So,
Where's the
anytime you
warrant?
don't have to have a warrant.
Yes, you do. You
No,
have to
you
have
don't.
a warrant to make an arrest.
No, you don't.
No, you do not have to have a warrant. No, absolutely not. You do not have to have a warrant for an arrest. You need to have probable cause.
No, there's such things called warrantless arrest, my guy. So,
It's not constitutional.
well, you can believe what you want to believe, man. So, those are what you're being charged with. Do you have any questions about that?
I demand to see the magistrate judge.
Well, you will at first appearance in the morning.
No, I will see him before I
Nope.
put him in jail.
No.
That's the law.
No, it's not.
It
guy.
is.
No.
You guys are not taught the law. That's
No, that's not the law.
You are not taught the law, even though you think you know it. You don't know
I
it.
teach myself at home.
Well, exactly. So,
Yeah, that sounds
Teach
about
yourself
right.
nothing.
Wash you guys in school.
okay. Well, just so you know, have a good night. You'll see a judge in the morning. Well, I'd be more professional if somebody would stop and actually do what I told them to do.
Stop. Did I not pull over?
No, actually, you didn't. I let you up like a mile and a half back.
I pulled into a public place.
Okay.
I'm not pulling over the side of the road. Where
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, we have a 10-15. Yeah, go ahead. Do it at, yeah. Yeah. What's up? He did? All right. Oh, let's go ahead and leave it down. Any illegal drugs in the vehicle?
No.
Okay. Well, our canine alerted on the vehicle, so we will be searching the vehicle as well. You don't have to. We have probable cause. Have a good night. Hey, just so you know, we're unprofessional.
1915.
Y'all think it's ridiculous?
I think it's ridiculous
No.
that you just didn't comply, and then you decided to fight.
Because he tries to tell me to get out of my car when he doesn't have the authority to do that.
Yes, he does. Pennsylvania versus Mims.
You guys think that you have all this authority? I want the name and ranks and badge numbers of all three of you out here.
Well, you're in luck because my name's on paperwork, his name's on paperwork, and both of their names are actually going to be on the CAD. So there you go.
I think y'all figure this out a lot faster if you call Lieutenant Jinx and the Sheriff's Department.
CAD is computer assisted dispatch.
Well, we don't work for the Sheriff's Department.
Isn't he the highest authority for the county?
No.
Not in the city.
For the county. You're in the county.
No. Again, this is a sovereign citizen lore that the sheriff of every county in the United States is the highest law enforcement authority of the county, or that they can overrule anything that the municipal police can do that for whatever municipality that's in the county.
We are in the city right now. The city of Panama City Beach.
It all goes in rank.
The city of Panama City Beach, where we have jurisdictional boundaries of it.
The sheriff stands over y'all for the county.
We are in the city of Panama City Beach, sir.
I know where we are. I live here.
Well, then you should know how jurisdictional boundaries work since you're so brushed up on your law.
No, I'm not that brushed up. I'm just trying to figure things out.
That just means that the sheriff's deputies can enforce the law within any municipality within the county. It's concurrent jurisdiction. That doesn't mean that the sheriff overrules or oversees the municipal law enforcement.
With the way this world is going, you guys are getting worse. That's better.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Fletcher boy, you're like that's the same thing. In New Jersey sheriff's deputies have police power. I think yes, they have police power. In Connecticut, the sheriffs have almost zero power. I think the sheriffs in Connecticut are only there to serve process and like other very, very limited actions.
All right, sir, real quick, the current time, just to let you know, is 19:21. You are being read your Miranda rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you can say will be used against the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present while you're being questioned. You cannot afford to hire a lawyer. One be appointed to you, represent you before any questioning if you wish. Decide at any time to exercise these rights, not answer any questions or make any statements. With those rights in mind, we have a couple questions for you. That's not how that works.
That's not how that works.
A question.
Oh my God, he's getting everything wrong.
Hey, Woodall, what's the name on it? Holly Kirkland. Who's Holly Kirkland?
My mother.
Your mother. So why do you have your mother's debit card?
Yeah.
Why do you have your mother's debit card on you?
She loaned it to me for emergency.
So you have somebody else's debit card. With their permission, though. Or credit card, excuse me. With their permission. You've had it for over a year.
Yeah.
So if we call her up right now, she's going to say, yep, I let you have my debit or credit card.
Yeah, I mean, she won't answer. She's disabled.
Hey, you do the booking sheet on your end?
Yeah, I will.
What do you say before?
My sister's in her care right now, if you want to call her.
Well, we got to make sure that you have permission to have that card.
I haven't given you guys permission to put me in this car, but yet here I am.
Man. So you really don't know what you're being placed under arrest for or anything like that?
No, I was going home and I got emergency lights on behind me, so I stopped to see what the emergency was.
Also, you'll also be getting additional citations for not wearing your seatbelt and not having proof of insurance or registration, okay?
He's piling it on.
He's still he still does not understand what he's being charged with.
Oh, well, he can understand when he goes and talks to the judge because I've already explained it to him.
Oh no. I'm checking links now.
Well, catching a felony charge.
Dinky, we have... Honestly, Dinky, we have not played Jackbox in a minute. You know, that might actually have to be introduced pretty soon.
What's the felony?
Battery on a law or resisting with violence.
Well, how was I violent?
Because you kicked him in the chest or the stomach. Yep.
Yep.
I don't remember that. I'll have to see video evidence.
Wow.
Of that.
You know, the crazy part is my camera
No evidence.
points right there, and your foot was just a hair under where you kicked me. So it's pretty great.
You guys are full of it.
So what do you call it when you turn and you put your feet up and you pushed him back? I call that kicking.
I call it self-defense.
Okay. Okay. That's definitely a self-report.
Call it what you want, but you're going to jail and getting
It's still
felony.
self-defense.
No,
I'll
it's
see all y'all in court.
I'll be there with bush tails on, buddy.
Yeah.
Same.
I look forward to it.
I hope you do.
Why is he wandering through my property like that?
Huh?
Why is he wandering through my property through my wallet? I never gave him.
Well, your wallet's extra right here, buddy, along with your phone and your keys.
Because you guys took all of my shit. It's terrible.
I know. So terrible.
A bunch of thieves.
Oh, okay.
Hey man, you still have that passport
My
card?
shoulders.
I took a picture of it, gave back to you.
You want to go to the hospital?
I'd like to get checked out.
You want to get checked out at the hospital?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
What hospital would I be going to?
Probably Bay on the Beach.
Well, if you guys would call a bus, and then I'll fall behind, and he'll stay in cuffs the whole time because he wanted to fight us on the side of the van.
Yeah, no,
So
that's fine.
due to safety concerns, he needs to be handcuffed
Yeah.
for everybody's safety.
If he's in handcuffs, one of y'all, they'll probably want one of y'all in there with him.
Okay, I can do that.
They might say
You
different.
guys
They might.
broke into my
Okay.
vehicle and dragged me out, but you're keeping everybody safe. I get that. I called 911 from the phone and they dragged me out, so I'd like to get that recording as well.
Yeah, you're being charged with it. Misuse of 911.
911?
Misuse of 911, yes.
misuse where there's emergency lights behind me. It's a misuse of calling.
Emergency light.
No, you called 911 when you didn't like your answer, or what we gave you was the answer.
Emergency lights, and I saw another one pull up. So.
Yep, pulled up at the same time.
You can say it however you want.
Yep. Yeah. Yeah.
Mila, thank you for the $10. For Seattle Mariner fans, congratulations to Ichiro Suzuki for being elected to the Baseball Hall of Fame. Oh, well, that's awesome. Honestly, I'm shocked that he hasn't already been inducted.
I'm gonna have to ride with them if they want it.
74 to the local 8.7 Saga Park only. He's also for inmate release reference fleeing LEO. No regard.
You guys really don't have any criminals out there actually?
282.
You got a security clearance too?
Security clearance.
Yeah. Security clearance.
Just for records, security clearance, for looking at records.
Oh, you're talking about my NCIC and certifications and all that? Yes, I'm certified.
You want to go ahead and run that passport for me then?
Okay.
Oh, God.
Oh. I got it.
You got the clearance. I appreciate you go ahead and run that passport.
Okay, it's right now.
I have my ID now back in my wallet. The passport he's got over there.
Because he's completing necessary arresting paperwork.
But it will be in my wallet when we leave, correct?
Yes.
Oh man, I can't believe you guys are going to arrest me.
You're getting quite a few charges.
You've got a laundry list.
You're getting quite a few charges there, sir.
So y'all are just making something out of nothing.
No, it's not how it works.
I was headed home, you pulled me over, made an emergency, and then dragged me out of my car and then pressing me with charges. That's all completely.
I feel like you're missing a little bit of details there that you're not mentioning.
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
You don't think so at all, really?
No.
I'm doing paperwork, remember? So I really don't think that none of that is backwards. Holy.
What's up, Bill?
What time is it now?
Currently is 7:37. This phone is going back into your property.
Well, unfortunately, you're on our time right now.
It doesn't feel like it.
So, by our system that we can run,
Yep.
this is incorrect.
Oh, nice. Forged passport.
What's incorrect about it?
Uh-oh.
I have bail.
Forged passport. In other words, when they're trying to run it, it's not coming up with anything. So either he put his name wrong, he put his birth date wrong in there. Whoops.
Yep. Yeah, HSI stuff.
I want that back in my wallet.
It'll be going with you to the jail, if not placed into evidence.
Why would we place an evidence?
Because if it's a false passport, you're getting charged with tampering with a federal document.
It better not be.
Yep.
So, but they're gonna run that through.
Nice. Yeah, because Bales has her laptop now.
So they're gonna do the Homeland Security, but according to what he just did, it's incorrect. So.
Nice. Okay. Sweet.
All right. So the RO of the vehicle, who is that to you?
The vehicle was donated to me. I just haven't transferred it yet.
The vehicle was donated to you. How was it donated to you?
The owner died and the son donated it to me.
Okay. You got that guy's information?
In my phone, I got his number.
You got his number in your phone?
Why? Why are you curious? Why are you curious?
Because you got the title to a vehicle that somebody is deceased, so we're trying to figure out how you got the vehicle.
It's just, everything is adding up. There's more and more and more. It's just, oh my God.
I just told you his son gave it to me.
Okay. You got anybody to verify that?
His son?
Okay. So, you gonna give me the number so I can call him and verify that?
I mean, can't you look it up? Aren't you the police?
So, are you gonna allow me to look through your phone
No.
to get this number?
No.
Okay.
You already pulled me out of my car without my permission.
Well,
you guys just do whatever you want anyway, don't you?
Okay.
You break
I mean,
the law constantly.
I mean, you broke the law. That's the reason you're in handcuffs in the back of a police car about to go to jail.
I'm in handcuffs because you guys are breaking the law doing it. It's ridiculous.
When are sovereign citizens going to learn that they don't know the law? Okay. You believe you don't have to conform to the state laws?
No, I do believe I break.
Okay. Would you like me to print off every statute that I'm charging you with?
The statutes aren't to me, they are to you.
No, they're to you, my guy.
They're not.
Yeah.
They teach everything y'all backwards.
Okay.
Statutes and codes. I'll count that. Statutes and codes.
Okay. Oh yeah, he's not gonna give us information about that.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Did we verify that the passport card you provided was correct, or was still?
We're unable to confirm it this time. So, once that gets decided, if it is, I'll just do a warrant. So, no biggie. Yeah, but that'll add another felony charge to you for tampering with federal documents. If your passport comes back fake. Well, right now, through 2 systems, it's not confirmed, so good luck with that, my guy. All right, yeah, I'm gonna be right behind you. All right, yeah, you call it out. I'll be right behind you.
Sure, you're right. Hey,
Boy.
Recording.
No, the other hand, this one.
I can fit about a finger in that one.
That's the one that's looking like.
They're not meant to be comfortable.
You guys don't do anything comfort for anybody else.
My apologies. Supervised at 1840 hours. I had a lightning on signal 44-10-15 for disorderly. I'll be 10
I
have
have a picture. Yeah, I've got his something out there. Looks like it. Yeah. You want to do that real quick?
Yeah, I'll knock it out real quick. I'll explain the traffic citations. That way we knock it all at once. So I know we've explained it a couple different times, but since paperwork is now completed, I'm going to explain all your charges. From me, you have resisting with violence, which is a felony. You have resisting without violence, which is a misdemeanor. And you have misuse of 911, which is a misdemeanor. From Officer Woodall, you will have resisting without violence, which is a misdemeanor.
42,
and you'll have driving while license suspended, canceled, or revoked with knowledge, which is also a misdemeanor. Then Officer Woodall will explain your traffic citations.
Once again, you have the speeding, 59 and 45. You have the no seatbelt because you have the seatbelt fastened behind you and not around you. You have no proof of insurance. And again, the DWLSR with knowledge. Alright?
Explain the charges and citations.
Alright. They're going to want you to have a seat.
No.
You don't understand them.
I need the handcuffs off and him in a gown.
Okay.
I gotta get down.
Yep.
I think they're doing a blood draw, maybe? Or is it a medical condition? I didn't hear it.
Have a seat.
Alright.
Get your seat belted in. Lean back for me.
I don't wear this thing in my car.
Well, you're supposed to. It can help save your life.
Try blah 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 blah. We heard that. He was sentenced to probation within a global plea deal that included a few other interactions 1 month after this. He would again have an encounter with the beach police, and that video will be posted tomorrow. The next day, it will be followed by a third and fourth arrest and a segment from his court hearing. Oh my God.
I've been in several wrecks where it would have killed me.
Uh-huh. All right. Let's go. Next.
Recording.
Oh. Is that a Wawa?
Can you stop before before you pulled in here? Hey,
Yesterday, I posted body cam footage of Sovereign citizen of Panama City Beach, Florida, who was arrested. Here is again. Except this interaction came during a routine traffic stop with another citizen this past February. Officers were searching her car for marijuana when Mr. Thompson appeared. Oh, so this is him moonlighting as an auditor.
Because your back light is out.
Which line?
It's the one on the passenger side on the rear. Scared the shit out of me.
What's this all about?
Just a traffic stop, man.
What?
Do what? Do what?
For what?
None of your business. That's what it's for.
Yeah, none of your business.
Yeah. And right now you're
Really?
being my investigation, so if you don't step away from our traffic stop, I'm gonna arrest you for obstruction. So I need you to step back, probably about right there past that trash can.
All right.
You can record all you want, but if you interfere in my investigation one more time and have me stop what I'm doing, I'm gonna arrest you.
Really?
Yes, it's called obstruction. I need you to step back over there.
How am I interfering?
This is so unnecessary. He didn't have. Why?
Yep.
Can I put this in my pocket?
Yeah, put it in your pocket.
All right. Okay, give me just a second. Let me
Put it in your.
Officer told him multiple times to go behind the trash can and he can record all he wants, but if he keeps on interrupting and interfering with this traffic stop, he's got to get hooked up. And he kept on asking questions. He kept on it. He kept on interfering.
I'm trying to.
Put it in your pocket.
I'm trying to.
I'm gonna throw you to the ground if you don't stop.
I'm trying to. You're not letting me.
Put your hands on your back.
All right. What's this about?
Drop that.
This is a little ridiculous, don't you think? You know, you heard my thoughts?
Yeah, we'll get it.
I don't get all the hostility.
Just put them in your car for now.
What's all the hostility for?
Okay.
What's all the hostility?
Yeah, take your hair and put it in
Can I get your name and...
It's Turner, badge number 37. You're being placed under arrest for obstruction.
Really?
Yep.
All right. You want to do this?
That's why you're not in cuffs right now. But sit tight right here, okay?
Let me go deal with that. 37 pound week.
Oh my God. Oh, he said name
We
and
now
badge
have
number.
a
Yeah.
white male 1015 for obstruction.
1015 2316.
Can I get my property?
Yeah, I'll be with you at the Bay County Jail.
Why all the hostility?
You obstruct me on my traffic stop.
How am I obstructing?
Because you had me deviated from what I was doing to come and deal with you.
I wasn't interfering with anything you did.
Yes, you were. You had made me stop from what I was doing to come and deal with you.
I didn't make you do anything.
I'm not gonna argue with you. You can argue with the judge, buddy.
All right.
2316.
You have an oath of office, do you know, sir?
Oh, oath of office.
You do have an oath of office.
Did you hear me give that guy multiple commands to step back and he refused to?
Yeah. Kept telling him back up and he not. You see him signal too as well.
Yeah.
See anything else in here?
Oh shit, let me pat him down. Can you step out for me?
Sure.
Alright, face this way, please.
Sure.
Anything on you that's gonna poke me, stab me?
Well, I do have a...
Okay, that's fine.
It's not going to poke you, though.
You understand what you did, man?
No. No, not at all.
Do you really not understand?
No.
You do realize you were interfering me when I was on my job, right?
No.
You didn't think what you were doing was interfering?
No. I was asking questions. That's what we were allowed to do was ask questions.
No, you watch too much YouTube, man.
Huh?
No, you don't. I don't have to tell you nothing what I'm doing, to be honest with you.
Really?
Unless it involves you.
Well, I mean.
Right? Yes.
Yes, really. If you're not involved, yeah, they can tell you to kick rocks.
It involved me.
How did it involve you, man?
In traffic, I was traveling. So
you were traveling. Yeah. Okay, buddy. Well, I got a supervisor.
Destroy everything.
It's okay. Hey, I have a supervisor on the way to come down here and talk to you. Is that fair?
All right, fair enough.
All right. So you were traveling?
Yes, sir.
Where's your ID at? Who do you identify as? Nothing.
A man.
A man? Yep. Okay.
Man.
Nothing in your groin area?
No, sir.
Because when I take you to jail, if you have anything on you, that's considered contraband, drugs, or anything like that, it's an additional felony charge, okay?
Not that I know of.
So, let me give you a little bit of information, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the state of Florida, if you obstruct a law enforcement officer in his duties of his job,
as
I was searching a vehicle right there.
How was I obstructing?
One, you had to deviate my attention from what I was doing to deal with you, because you were asking questions, doing this, and I said it's none of your business, and I need you to step away.
And I was stepping away in the process.
No, I told you to step behind that trash can.
I was working. I was on my way.
And then you continued to ask questions.
I was on my way out.
And I told you that I had nothing to say to you.
I was on my way.
And you kept on asking. If you were on your way, it was the slowest walk behind a trash can ever. Epiphanies, think of it as $5 Canadian. Thank you very much. Happy Friday.
Out of the area, and you stopped me from.
No, you weren't.
From leaving.
Well, the body camera says otherwise, buddy.
All right, we'll see.
Yeah, you should have enough room.
That's exactly why I stopped.
Yeah, you should have enough room. I won't let you hit
traffic.
I'm not imposing traffic, dog. I'm doing my job. Now sit in that car.
Really?
Sit in that car.
All right.
All right, I'm gonna grab a.
What's in your hand?
Something fell out of my pocket.
All right. I will
make sure I get that back.
Look, get it on the body cameras right here.
All right, fair enough.
Put it right there.
All right. What's your name again?
Turner, badge number 37.
Thank you.
It's gonna be all on all the paperwork.
All right, fair enough.
All right. Hey, tell him to roll the window down.
He's gonna direct you out.
Alright, he has some little things not open. This coin thing. A gold bar. Another gold bar.
What?
A quarter. No. Oh.
Wait, he's actually carrying gold and silver? No way! You know what? I respect that. I respect the dedication. Because most of these guys, they say they want payment in gold and silver, but they never actually have it on them. You know what? I actually kind of respect that. Thank you very much, Bill, for the $5. Much appreciated, man.
Oh yeah, it's on my desk. Right there.
So this is what we found. We did find
25.
He still also has a fiat currency.
A cigarette. Cannabis.
Maybe.
A long time ago.
These.
Okay.
Those maybe. You know when you just use them and they're old?
Yeah.
Yeah. Those.
Yeah, no, those are roaches.
Those are roaches. It would have been
still technically that's illegal.
No,
you know what I mean,
I
right?
understand, but I'm just saying.
20,
yeah, because we'll test
40,
it.
60.
It tests positive for THC.
70.
Okay. I'm
80.
just gonna advise you of your rights real quick.
$80.
Is that for him?
$80.
You do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say is against the court of law.
Hey, buddy, what's your current address? What's your current address,
I won't
buddy?
be answering any questions.
This ain't incriminating question.
I'll be invoking my
I don't answer questions.
Fifth Amendment right.
Okay, fair enough. What's your first name?
I'll be invoking my Fifth Amendment
I have to get your information, buddy, for the paperwork.
You have my.
Is that your passport?
Property.
Is that your passport?
That's the United States passport.
Is that your passport?
It's when they issued.
Okay.
It was not issued by the Department of State. Because if you recall from the last video, while it has U.S. Department of State at the bottom, like printed on there, under the issuing authority, it says Florida Assembly, which is an American state national thing. They have assemblies in all the 50 states. So, yeah.
Okay. So you don't know your name or anything like that? You can't just give me your name, buddy?
I don't own one.
You don't know your name or anything?
I don't own a name.
Oh my God.
What's your first name?
I don't own a name.
Okay. What's your first name, Justin? Is your first name Justin?
I'll be invoking my opinion.
Damn it. No.
Yes, it does.
Traffic stop, my lights are initiated whenever I'm either running to emergencies, getting to an emergency, or conducting traffic stops to pull over motorists.
That makes it an emergency, doesn't it?
That does not make it an emergency.
No, no.
Why are they called emergency lights though?
Dude, I'm not even going to argue with you.
It's such a 5-year-old's logic. Oh, okay. Sorry.
I'm just asking questions.
Well, I don't know, man. I don't understand you. All right.
So you don't know the answers?
I don't know anything, man.
Fair enough. He's a law enforcement officer that doesn't know anything. All right. I'm sitting here in handcuffs, aren't I, for asking questions?
No, you're sitting in the back of my car in handcuffs because you, for obstruction. It's for obstruction. You obstructed the duties. You obstructed the duties of a uniformed law enforcement officer in execution of his duties.
So asking questions is an infringement.
Well, you're questioning me while I'm in the middle of something. Yes, it's called obstruction. Okay. And you're also refusing to get back and get to where I told you to go.
I was on my way back.
No, you were not.
You walked up behind me and arrested me as I was on my way.
No, that is a lie and wrong.
Really?
Yes.
I'm pretty sure you grabbed me from behind.
All right. In fairness, at this point, no, the memes are fun, but the officer probably shouldn't be arguing back and forth with him on this.
The handcuffed me as I was walking away.
No, it's because I turned you around to put handcuffs on you. Okay. We will see. I haven't violated any rights. I promise you I haven't.
I was arrested without a warrant.
Bro, what the hell are you talking about? Hey, this is called a warrantless arrest. The offense occurred in my presence.
The offense of asking questions.
Yeah.
Isn't that what you guys are trained to do for your job, is ask questions?
Yes, I guess, buddy. Let's get magistrate out. Alright, let's do this again.
Congratulations to these judges. Collect all your bonds from owning these jails.
Collecting all the bonds, yep.
Making these judges richer. They're the ones that own this jail.
Stand right there for me. Come on, partner.
How many victims he created?
Oh no, he looks like he was cold and wanting something to eat. I know a lot of homeless people that would strictly get arrested this time of year just to.
Yes. You know the state of Florida can't be a victim too, right? You do know
that? You know what? I'll count since we're going pretty dry with these things. I'll count that as injured party. The state of Florida can't be a victim.
Yes, they can.
They can.
Yes, they can.
They have to be able to show up in court to be a victim.
That's what the people.
Whereas, I would love to see the state of Florida show up in court and claim to be the victim.
The state of Florida be there, buddy.
I would love to see that in action.
Because I am the state of Florida.
You are?
I'm the state of Florida.
I am the state of
Judge,
Florida.
State of Florida. The jury's the state of Florida.
Well, then, how are you the state of Florida?
Witnesses are state of Florida.
How are you the state? Wouldn't that make anybody that's holding the license the state of Florida? So everybody's a victim then?
Yeah, technically, it's the state of Florida.
Okay, well then somebody can stand up and
Or
ask
society.
in court.
Society. Technically,
Somebody can
they
stand
used
up
to
in
have
court
us
and ask
put.
if they've been victimized, and if even one person says no, then that's not the state of Florida.
I was victimized.
But I'm saying if one person says.
Yeah, Draco, they have to be able to show up in court to be a victim. Tell that to the dead guy. Exactly. These guys constantly misconstrue that section of the Bill of Rights. It's you have the right to be confronted with the witnesses against you. Not the victim, but the witnesses. Now, a witness can also be a victim, but it's the witness. It's the confrontation clause. It says witnesses, not victim.
No, they weren't.
And in this sense, the officer is the witness.
You can't be all the state of Florida.
Yeah,
you can be part of it, but you can't be all of it.
They can also get that tampering and false, like perjury, if you have no proof of the. Otherwise, if you just say no, then you can't just get up and say no.
Which is a breach of their oath.
Right? I don't think, because that's just like,
you don't want to be treated.
Like you said, anybody can just stand up and say, no, that's not true. But then if they're not a witness, then that's like fraud. You can't, any old person just can't go and say that person didn't do it. If you weren't there, you weren't there, you know?
You gotta have first-hand knowledge of the matter.
Man, I gotta pee now, man. I hope they let me in.
I'll tell you what, I'll be there. My body camera footage will be there. Everybody will get this. I know, me too. I can't wait.
You sure you ran that passport?
You won't have to come for me. I'll be pleading not guilty for the DUI for sure.
There you go. I hope I don't have to come for you, because most of the time they like to schedule on our off days.
Obviously, I am not under the influence.
I don't think you ran that passport.
So,
I don't think you have the ability to.
But,
huh?
I don't think you have the clearance to.
I'm damn sure.
The clearance to run the passport?
To run that one?
Yeah, probably don't. I don't know. I just run your name and date of birth.
That just thing stays on.
It's just a number.
Yeah.
It's just a number on.
While you're interacting with us, there's like
Yeah. As soon as I get in there, I can turn it off.
Yep. That's their turn.
Because then their camera's rolling. I love them. I love these things.
Oh yeah, they're saying that. Yeah. I like the fact that
I want to make sure I get a full copy of that.
Yeah, if you go to the Panama City Beach Police Department, you can get it.
You got to FOIA it.
I love them because.
Can you, do you know how much that'll cost?
I don't know. I think it's like $10, man.
I know if you FOIA your
For how many hours?
It'd be like $7 a day.
I don't know.
I'll have to get back with you on that.
I really don't know, buddy. If I knew the exact price.
I'll you directly ask about
I know
that.
if you
Yes.
if you FOIA your court
If you want,
if you FOIA your court transcripts after court, what the judge says, it's like $7 a page. So however long you talk to them, it's like $7.
Holy shit. God damn. All right. Now, if you want to know a racket, actually, no, you can't even do that because at least in New Jersey, a lot of the transcripts aren't done in-house. They contract out. So that's who you're paying. But most of the time, these transcripts are like ridiculous, like $200, $300, $400. Like depending on the state, if you in instances where you do have the right to appeal, you as a defendant, you would get the transcript free of charge. But if you don't have the right to appeal on certain situations, you have to pony up the transcript if you want a copy of it.
$7 every page. Yeah. Because I had to do that because I got sentenced. I sold marijuana.
So more if you get an exemplified copy.
And I
what does that mean?
Means that everything was followed by the book.
I never heard of that.
There is.
Signal 13P at Pompano's Restaurant, 10292 Front Beach Road.
Too big for that guy to start asking questions from criminals instead of the people.
I've read some plenty of criminals, man.
I don't, not the right ones, obviously, otherwise this wouldn't be happening anymore.
I may be in handcuffs. I don't consider my criminal.
I don't think you're a criminal. I don't think he's a criminal. I don't think neither one of you are.
But we're in handcuffs.
I mean, yeah, you're being placed under arrest.
I damn sure.
Even though we're not criminals, you state with your own mouth that
I don't get.
so you arrested some non-criminals.
I don't think you're a criminal. I don't think I would consider you like a career criminal. You know what I mean? I mean, if you want, I can call you a criminal, but I think it's a little derogatory.
I don't think I got a DUI. He should have just arrested me for the license thing, but I don't.
They did find marijuana on the female during the original traffic stop, but because of Mr. Thomason's interference, they did not arrest her. So her interjection did save her from going to jail. Hey, you know what? At least he was able to do something positive that night.
I'm not
To each their own, you know what I mean?
No, yeah, I get you. It's not you didn't do it. But you didn't say no or yes when I asked, and I feel like you didn't think I was either.
I got arrested for asking questions.
Yeah, you know it. I'm not
People
sorry,
don't
I'm
like
not
being
doing
questioned. It messes with their authority.
You can question me all you want whenever I'm done doing what I'm needing to do.
All right. Once it's over, you'd be like, yeah, you weren't.
What was I really interrupting?
It's all right.
Yes, you were.
So what was I really interrupting?
Me searching the vehicle, trying to get the drugs out of the vehicle. Instead, I had to deal with you.
Trying to deal with drugs.
See, the problem is with it is you don't understand what you did. That's the problem I'm having right now.
Really? Okay.
All right,
So somebody called the cops on you about drugs and that meeting?
Bro, I'll get you that lights on in a second.
All right. When you in here?
Hey. It's in my passenger side floorboard.
This man.
All right, let's go part 3.
Normally it's just like a censor block over the screen so you can't see the...
Oh my god. Oh boy. All right. Let's go to type this up.
the contents of the screen.
Okay, fair enough.
And stuff like that.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, my hearing's not the best.
I'll be happy to accept that.
Oh,
If it's
okay.
the screen or something.
Yeah, it's...
Well, thank you. He'll be in contact with me through email?
Yes, sir. He said he'd email you as soon as he gets a second to.
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir. Oh.
Covert off. Recording.
There you go. Yeah, he just came back for his records. Check with the sheriff's office. Warrant hasn't been served yet, so I'm fixing 10:15. You wanna?
Oh no! Oh no! He's trying to come in for his records, but he's got a warrant. Oh man! Oh, that's gonna suck.
Yep. Devil. Yeah, I checked with the warrants, and they said it is still has not been served. So, fixed and go serve it. Yeah. Yep, they have it entered. I checked yesterday, it was good. Checked again today, it still hadn't been served. So, good.
Well, in fairness to him, I don't think he actually is aware of the warrant, but it doesn't matter if he's noticing him of the warrant. I mean, he can be hooked up right here and now.
Justin Reed or Thomason?
Reed.
Okay. So you actually have a warrant for your arrest for DWLSR, and I do have to place you under arrest, sir.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir. You do me a favor, please?
Can I notify my family?
You say DWSL?
Are you serious?
Yeah, warrant for your arrest for DWLSR.
DWLS, driving while license
I do have to
suspended.
place you under arrest, sir.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir. You do me a favor, please?
Can I notify my family?
Sure, in just one moment.
Let me, I gotta put my phone out first.
Yeah, if you want to.
Hang on. Give me just 1 second, man.
All right.
Hang on, I can't make a call.
Well, I have to place you under arrest, sir. You will get the opportunity to make a phone call.
My family?
You will be able to, yes,
What's
sir.
the arrest for?
You have a warrant for your arrest for driving on a suspended license.
Driving where?
No idea. I have to double check the warrant for you, boss.
This is ridiculous. Oh, man, you guys.
All right, sir. I am going to search your person to make sure you don't have anything on you that's going to poke me, cut me, stick me, anything like that. That's fine. I'm advising you are going to be searched. So.
You gonna steal some more of my silver?
Why would I need to steal your silver?
I don't know if it was you or not.
Probably not.
Idiot.
Last time.
Oh, I do not consent. I think we already have that, don't we? Oh, no, I don't.
very certain that was not planned.
I haven't been notified of any kind of warrant or anything.
Normally it's the Bay County Sheriff's Office that serves that.
Well, I mean, I'm supposed to have beforehand notice of any arrests.
I don't know if that's how that works, but...
I mean, you guys, the way they've manipulated the whole system is ridiculous.
We're going to go right here to the left, sir.
Okay. I'm up here walking around like I know what I'm doing.
Yeah. It's all right.
In this room?
Yes, sir. Stand by from the person.
Oh, we're just waiting on it to open?
No.
Okay.
So I have to secure my firearms in the locker before we go into the booking area. I cannot do that without another person present.
Okay.
Sir, I'm going to have you sit over
here.
Welcome.
You say so.
Well, go ahead and have a seat, please. I'm just going to type up some paperwork.
I prefer to stand.
Well, I'd prefer you to have a seat, sir. So please have a seat. All right. Your property is going to be secured in one of our lockers here. And I'm going to put this in the locker in front of you.
I need to use that phone real quick. You
You'll
said
be
I
able.
could.
Your locker is going to be locker number 8. Would you do me a favor and please take off your shoes, sir?
No.
Unfortunately, we'll have to remove your shoes. Please
Why?
have a seat,
Why
sir.
is that?
Shoelaces are dangerous in cells. So
I'm
please have a
handcuffed.
seat,
How
sir.
can I use shoelaces?
Sir, please sit down or remove your shoes. I'll give you one of the 2 options.
What's the other option?
The other option is to take your shoes off, and then they go in the locker with the rest of your property.
You guys are ridiculous. Y'all see what y'all are doing to humanity? This is.
Sir, so far you are only being charged with whatever's on the warrant. If you refuse to
I haven't
cooperate,
been notified of any warrant.
If you refuse to
What do you
cooperate,
mean?
You were literally just notified.
Additional charges of resisting arrest.
Oh my Lord, you guys. Y'all see what y'all are doing? Y'all are enslaving this country. It's
Please remove your shoes, sir. If you can kick them off, if not, I'll untie them for you if you'd like.
Yeah, I'll let you.
Thanks, sir. Got the bow on the end. Oh, okay. Thank you,
You
sir.
knew I'm getting arrested for wanting records. This is ridiculous. You guys.
All right. Again, they're going in locker number
That is literally not the reason why you're being arrested.
8 with the rest of your property. I'll put them under your hat so they don't get your hat dirty. All right, sir. If you'll please stand up, I'll escort you to one of the holding cells, take your handcuffs off to secure you in the cell.
Can I get my phone to notify my
sir.
family?
Not right now.
You guys are ridiculous. This is. I
Say
went
it.
and fought
Belt.
a war.
Let me
I went
check.
and fought a war for
Yes,
this.
sir. I do also have to remove your belt, sir.
Holy Jesus. You guys are destroying this country and you don't even care. When we go to heaven,
Wait, what? He did enlist? He's a veteran? He fought in Iraq in 2010. He left his post and went AWOL. He was eventually caught and charged by the federal government for desertion. He was dishonorably discharged while he brags about it. Wow.
first place we go is to the courts of heaven. Hope you guys are ready for that.
Go back to your locker, sir, so you can see me put this in your locker.
You don't have to hold me so rough, man. I'm not going anywhere.
I appreciate your cooperation, sir. We're going to go to the door straight ahead, and I'll remove the handcuffs from you and secure you in the cell, sir.
And what am I waiting on exactly?
Transport to the Bay County Jail for your warrant.
I can't make a call in here to notify my family?
No, sir, you'll be able to make a phone call at the jail.
They didn't allow that last time there either. You guys don't. Oh, y'all have been indoctrinated so bad. I feel bad for you guys.
Says you.
Sir, please have a seat in the cell. Thank you.
Recording.
Version of your property receipt. I did one handwritten, including all the items that I'd placed in the locker. Because I wasn't able to print the printed receipt, I did a handwritten copy of it. So I've got the property of the inmate, today's date, your name listed on there is listed on the paperwork, the case number associated with this, 2 silver rectangles. That's what's on your warrant and your paperwork, so that's what's on this paperwork.
How do you associate me with that then if that's not my name?
Well, everything else matches your driver's license number, your social security number. So 2 silver rectangles, 1 silver dollar coin, 1 copper coin, 5 $1 bills, 1 $5 bill, 1 phone in brown case, missing the $10 bill, let me write that down. 1 $10 bill.
This is the most tyrant officer in the history of tyrant officers, ensuring that all of his items on his person are correctly identified, written, and entered in to prevent any potential tomfoolery of cops jacking his stuff. How dare he?
Actually, I think there was the hat and belt as well. See, that's why I double check. 1 hat, 1 belt, 1 pair of shoes. All right, in addition to the numbers that are read off of this, adding the $10 bill, the hat, the belt, and pair of shoes, paper receipt, keychain, blue lighter, and 1 phone in a brown case. Those are the items I took off of you. Those are the items that are in the locker there. Okay, hold on. All right, so I'll go over the paperwork with you here, just so there's no confusion as to what you were placed under arrest for. Barely. All right. Included now on there are the medical marijuana card, the the Direct Express card, and the EBT card. All right, so the reason I was placed
A sovereign citizen with an EBT card. Go figure.
you under arrest is you had a warrant. Here's the warrant number for driving on a suspended license with knowledge.
I'm supposed to get a ticket for that though, and I never received a ticket.
That would have been submitted with the warrant, I'd imagine.
Yeah, see, but I've never received any of that stuff. How can they have a...
You'll have to get up with the sheriff's office about that with their warrants division. So that was the reason you were placed under arrest, so the warrant for driving on a license with suspended.
One single charge?
Yes. Yes, sir. Your license is showing as suspended indefinitely as of 2022, or sorry, 2023.
Oh, damn. Oh my God. Indefinite suspension. Woo.
I'm sorry. I think you not being able to hear me and me not being able to hear you is playing well against each other. So I placed you under arrest for the warrant. A check of your driver's license shows that it was suspended indefinitely January of last year.
I don't have a driver's license on me. How do you attach that to me?
Your face matches the photo. Your information matches what's on file for you. Name, social security number, date of birth. That's on file with the state of Florida. Moreover, your state-issued medical marijuana card also matches the information that's on file and includes a photo of your face.
He's got also has a state-issued medical marijuana card. Man, it's very interesting that he likes the contract with the government for some things, but not all things.
As you do now, minus the facial hair. Sure, but it's got your face and information on it. It even includes the same address listed on you for the warrant. Street, Panama City Beach. So all of your items have been secured in there besides the hat, belt, and shoes, which obviously wouldn't fit in this bag. Yeah, so if I could get it to fit in this bag, that would be a trick. So these items I'm going to seal in front of you. These are all the
hell is
funds,
that?
cash, phone.
Out of Bay County.
Was that like a code 3 or something? Holy.
I don't have that on this form. You'd have to get that from the sheriff's office. Unfortunately, that's not on this form. You'll have to get that information from the sheriff's office, from their warrants department. All right. I'm putting the paperwork and your property in the locker, sir.
Oh, the panic
So
button?
for more information about the warrant, you'll have to get
maybe.
up with the Bay County Sheriff's Office Warrants Division. You'll be here for a little bit until you're transported to the Bay County Jail. I'll let the dispatch know that you're going to have somebody come pick up the car. That way it's not towed from our parking lot. Yes, sir.
Your name right now, your legal name is Justin Reed Thomason. Is that right?
That's their legal name. That's who owns it.
All right, look at you signed this thing.
I signed it.
Okay, you signed it, and you agreed.
Please tell me that is not an actual attorney who is entertaining this bullshit. Please tell me that is not an actual licensed attorney that is going along with this defense.
To what this position is, correct? You agree to abide by probation. Is that correct?
I guess I don't have much of a choice.
Yes, you
I'm
do.
Under duress. This whole thing is under duress. I'll do it because I don't have a choice.
Can I have a few minutes with him?
Okay, never mind. Okay, at least, all right. No, he's not actually going for it. Because I could tell now, like, he's getting frustrated with his own client. Okay, yeah. I feel like the attorney's going under duress.
I'm thinking about revoking his release and just taking him into custody and continuing his detention here, putting you back in jail.
Really? Why?
Because you're being.
What would you like me to do, sir?
I'd like for you to at least answer the questions. Tell me your name. Don't do all this nonsense of what you're doing.
Less than a month later. Here we go again. Oh my God. Why is there a rooster? What? Is that the state animal of Florida? Why is there a rooster?
Hello. Deputy Navarro of the Bay County Sheriff's Office. You don't have a tag on your vehicle. Do you have a license?
Not on me, sir. I don't believe I do.
You don't have a license on you?
I was just trying to run the store to get some food for my dog real quick.
Okay, well, you know you can't drive this vehicle, right, without a tag?
I'll turn around then and go back to the house. And I'll walk
No,
down
sir.
there.
You were going to stay here, okay? All right. So you don't have your license on you?
No, sir.
Bear in mind, we already know that he's indefinitely suspended, so this is all performative.
All I have for the petition right now is this.
Okay. Do you have registration on this vehicle, and do you have your...
It's not mine. I don't know really anything is.
You said it's not yours?
No.
Whose vehicle is this?
It was my neighbor's across the road.
It was your neighbor's?
Yeah. He lets me use it whenever he wants. I mean,
But it's parked in your driveway?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, unfortunately, because you don't have a license, or do you have a valid license?
Not with me.
Not with you?
No, I'm trying to get it reinstated, but I got to pay some fees that are kind of exorbitant right now.
So your license isn't even valid?
No.
Okay.
So no, right now.
All right. Sit tight, okay? Hey, Justin, step out of the vehicle for me, all right?
What you need?
All right, come here.
Want me arrested?
We've got an issue here, okay?
Oh, Thea got bingo. Finally, congratulations on card number 6. We got the first bingo of the night. Congratulations, Thea. I'm gonna take your word for it because I trust you. And we're gonna reset. Everybody, reset your cards. Reset your cards. And we're gonna.
What you need?
We're gonna rewind it back, and we're gonna start in 3, 2.
All right, 1. Come here.
Want me arrested?
We've got an issue here, okay?
What's the issue?
Well, the issue is, 1, your driver's license has been suspended since 2022.
Oh, that's...
Okay? Yes. 2, all right, you're driving a vehicle with no tag on it.
It's not driving, though. That's kind of a commercial term.
No. You're traveling by means of driving.
No, sir.
Yes. Well, what
I
are the
disagree
means?
with that.
What means are you traveling then? You're traveling, but by what means?
By using an automobile.
Right. You're
God, he's trying so hard.
Operating an automobile, correct?
No.
You're operating, meaning you're in control of.
I didn't never
You're
say
not.
that.
You're
You
not in
said
control of an automobile. You're not in control of this automobile.
I'm in use of it.
You're in use of it.
Yes.
So you don't control it.
I mean, it's got a computer system.
Oh my God! Okay, you're not in a Tesla, bro. You can't even make that excuse.
It's got a computer. My man,
If it decides to take control, it
you
can't.
are in control of this automobile, okay? It doesn't self-drive.
Right.
You are in control. So you are operating because you are in control of a motor vehicle and traveling by means of driving, okay?
What do you want to do about it?
So here's the thing, all right? Put your hands behind your back.
All right. I got them already.
I will take care of it.
Can we go by my house?
No.
Because I got stuff that's sitting out that's going to ruin my dogs.
Well, then you're going to have to call somebody to come take care of your pets, okay? 442 back.
I feel like I'm just a giant target now. You already arrested me once, haven't you?
1015, one white male. Yes, I have actually, and I told you that I was going to be looking for this van because it is.
So you're just watching my house waiting on me to mess up then?
No, I was
as soon as I drove by, you turned around and pulled me over.
Yeah, because I noticed the van. I know exactly what van you drive. Okay, so
where you want me at?
You're going to sit in the back of my vehicle. Yeah, man. I told you if I see that. I told you if I see that van traveling, okay, then I was going to pull it over and I was going to tow it and I was going to place you under arrest. I told you that. I said you need to get things in order. All right, you don't have a proper driver's license. You don't have your van registered. You don't have that van registered. Okay, you're using the sovereign citizen script, and your van, your license plate, is kind of
you guys just
reflecting. Well, yeah, that's your label, man. Stop using the sovereign citizen script.
I don't
and
use anything.
You just said you're.
True. If you don't like being called a sovereign citizen, stop talking like a sovereign citizen.
Means that you're traveling. You have to follow Florida state statute, right?
On what grounds?
On what grounds?
Yeah.
You live here, my man.
So they're applicable to anybody that's within Florida then, is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Yes.
Absolutely, 100% sure. If you're in the state of Florida, you have to follow.
Statutes are applicable to employees.
No, sir.
Do you have a law degree or anything?
Do you?
Do you? I love that it stopped right then and there. That's great. All right. Let's go.
You're going to find out real quick, I'm not just any... My name is David. I study law, okay, and I'm not a dummy, and I know...
We got an arrogant sovereign citizen. We got a big brain sovereign citizen. Mate, what do you want, kitty? What do you want, kitty? I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Okay. All right. I had to get another drink for this one. This is gonna be fun. I imagine this is gonna be fun on the bun. All right.
Everybody down at that office.
You got about 2 seconds to give me your information, or you're gonna go to jail.
What the? It's $100,000 for every violation.
Welcome back to the Van Valiant channel, guys. Today we head to Florida for a traffic stop we covered last year where this sovereign citizen messed with the wrong cop and got arrested in under 5 minutes. But now, thanks to police cam encounters, we have more footage of that stop, which I think is worth sharing. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Let me turn this on, 'cause I'm native, so I'm going to record all this.
Okay.
Yeah.
I need your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance.
Why do you need my driver's license? First of all, why are you pulling me over?
Nope. I need your driver's license, your registration,
Hold on, we're going to
and
do this
proof
again.
of insurance.
I study law.
Okay. All right. We're already at man, we're already at 100.
Okay. And I'm not a dummy, and I know everybody down at that office.
You got about 2 seconds to give me your information, or you're gonna go to jail. It's as simple as that.
Oh wait, hold on. I want you to repeat that.
2 seconds.
I got 2 seconds, or I'm gonna go to jail.
Yep. I need your driver's license, your registration, and your proof of insurance, or you're gonna go into handcuffs and you're gonna go to jail.
You know that's illegal?
It is not.
It actually is. It actually is. Can you call your supervisor? Call your
supervisor
down here. Nope. No, you will call your supervisor down here.
Nope.
Dude is literally attempting the old Jedi mind trick. What he doesn't...
Yep. Oh, wait, we don't have... Do we have the Jedi mind trick? Oh, wait, I think that's on the body cam video. That's on the body cam video.
Realizes the sovereign citizen script only works on the weak-minded.
I know my law.
You don't want to give me your stuff?
You cannot touch me.
Okay.
No, you cannot touch me.
Your stuff.
Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor. Why are you cuffing me? What the hell are you doing? What are you doing to me, bro? What the f***? I've had neck surgery.
I don't care, dude.
What the f*** are you...
Medical issue. I don't even know if I have that on here, too.
doing? Oh my God, bro. Oh my God.
I really don't know why you're acting so surprised when he told you exactly what he was going to do and when he was going to do it.
Call Mayor Diesel and call your supervisor right now.
Did you just say to call the
You
mayor?
are 100%
X-ray 12 Central.
absolutely wrong for what you just did to me. I'm gonna file
Don't you care?
suit.
You can slow everybody down.
I'm gonna file suit. Call your
And you can change the
supervisor.
address.
Threatens lawsuit, but again, I think that's on the body cam.
Call your supervisor. You just committed a crime, a felony.
Okay.
Unbelievable. You threw me. I've had neck surgery.
Yep, well, you shouldn't have been resisting me.
I didn't resist you. I asked you why'd you stop me.
This recent neck surgery didn't stop you from resisting arrest, I see. Funny that.
Wow, I'm gonna sue the shit out of you.
Okay, good luck.
No, I will win. It's $100,000 for every violation. You are touching
I'll count that as a fee schedule.
me without your supervisor present.
Yeah, because I'm doing my job, buddy.
No, it's not your job. You're actually violating my rights.
No, I'm not.
And on top of that, I'm Native American.
Okay.
Yeah, you,
Okay.
you know, you're not even allowed to touch me, bro.
That's not how it works.
No, that's not how that works.
You're a commercial entity. You're not even
Oh, there it is.
a freaking part of the fucking my land, dude. You're a commercial entity.
Okay.
Yeah, you keep telling yourself that story when it's convenient to you, and this cop will continue to do his job. Deal? Okay.
You need to call your supervisor. You cannot.
I'm sure he's coming.
You cannot treat me like this.
That's fine.
I know all the biker cops and everybody, bro. You are so fucking.
Okay.
Oh my God.
That's funny because I'm one of them.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm glad that you could freaking treat me like that.
Well, you resist me, and that's how we're gonna play games, buddy.
I didn't resist you.
Yeah, you did.
I asked you why you stopped me, and you said you weren't gonna tell me.
I did not.
And then he said, I'm going to give me your driver's license. I said, why did you pull me over?
Yep.
You're talking like you have the right to not produce documents requested by the officer before knowing the reason for the stop.
And he threw me off my bike. Oh my God, bro.
You yanked away from me.
I did what?
You pulled away from me.
I pulled away from you because you grabbed me, bro. You can't touch me without telling me what's going on.
Yes, I can.
I see you're conveniently memory holing the part where he told you exactly what he was going to do and when. Also, I'm sure the officer appreciates your admission on camera that you resisted arrest.
You will not have a job when I'm done with you.
Okay, good luck with that.
You're going to try me, huh? I'm a Mason on top of that. So good luck.
Oh, he's a Mason too.
Bro.
Okay.
Raised right here in Lodge 149. I'm going to have your badge, bro.
Good luck with that.
Are you also a member of the Rotary Club, the American Legion, Shriners?
I'm going to have your badge.
Okay.
Promise you. God damn, my neck hurts.
Well, you shouldn't have fought me, buddy.
Fight you? You grabbed me without telling me why you pulled me over.
That's not how it works.
It is how it works.
Nope.
You can't flash somebody lights and pull them over for no reason. It's a felony. Open up your traffic and law book.
Open up your traffic and law book? Yeah, right. Says the guy who has probably never picked up a book in his life. Apart from the ones that have pictures in, of course.
Alright, roll up to your side.
I'm fucking hurt, bro. Stop.
Roll up.
I hurt.
Roll on your side.
I'm a
I hurt.
quadriplegic on my neck, bro.
Now sit up.
You're a what?
I hurt.
Roll on your side.
I'm a quadriplegic on my...
You're not a quadriplegic. You obviously have the control of all 4 of your limbs. What are you talking about? What?
My neck, bro.
Now sit up.
I severed my C3.
I'm gonna help you up. There you go.
Jesus Christ. I severed my C3, bro.
Okay.
My neck hurts.
So resisting arrest is one of the last and probably dumbest things you could have done then, if what you claim about your neck is true.
God damn it, God! I have to take f***ing medicine every day just to walk, bro.
Well, the jail will be able to help you out with all your medications.
The jail?
Yep.
I'm gonna sue the shit out of you.
Okay.
You pulled me over.
She turned me into a newt. Oh, better. Thank you, Father, for the $5. Much appreciated.
And you grab me and throw me to the ground without telling me why you pulled me over. How is that legal?
Got exciting fast.
Exciting fast is a great way to describe this traffic stop.
A little bit.
Oh, hi, officer.
Deputy.
Let me ask you a
Hello.
question. Let me ask you a question. Where's your supervisor?
Okay.
Oh, he works for the sheriff's office. His isn't coming.
That's fine. Sheriff is perfect. Let me ask you a question. Is it okay for him to pull me over? And I ask why he pulls me over, and he grabs me and cuffs me and throws me to the ground without telling me why he pulled me over?
Yes.
I mean, you're kind of omitting a couple of details, though.
Wow. I've never in my life, being a Mason, all the things I've done for this community. Oh, I know your cap. I know your cap. I know both caps.
Who's that?
I know them all. I'm related to the Wilkies.
Name them.
I'm related to the Wilkies. I know Mayor Diesel. He lives up the street. I helped him build his house back.
Oh my God, don't you know who I am? Holy hell, this dude's name dropping everybody.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy that you think all that gives you the right to behave like this without consequences. In fact, the entitlement is off the charts.
I asked him, why did you pull me over? He says, I don't have to tell you that.
All right,
How
we're
is
gonna
that
stand
legal?
up, man. Ready?
My neck. Hold on.
Pull your feet up. There
Hold
you
on,
go.
my neck.
There you go. Alrighty. Let's walk over here to my car.
Hold on, my neck.
You're good. I'm gonna let you lean on the front of my car.
Can you pick up my bike, please?
Yep. Right here on the front of the car.
I want to know, that's not illegal. What done to me is not illegal. I studied law for 2.5 years, and what he just did to me is not illegal.
If this is the result of you studying law for 2.5 years, I would ask for, no, I would demand a refund.
It's not.
I know it's not illegal.
No, it's illegal what you did to me.
Okay,
It's not
here it
illegal
is.
by me asking.
No, you can ask all you want.
You a supervisor? Are you the supervisor?
Yes, I am.
Sir, can I please have a word with you?
In a second.
Pro tip, if the supervisor you requested arrives and tells you, in a minute, he's probably not all that interested in anything you have to say.
Oh my God, is this my town, dude? Is this not my town that I grew up in? Why did you pull me over?
I told you.
I'll give you.
I thought you said you were Native American.
I give my license if I know why you're pulling me over.
It's probably because you don't have a license. Oh, there it is.
I don't have a license. I don't have a license. I don't have a license. I have a license. It's in my wallet right here. Right there. My license is right there.
My license is right there. Just listen to him trying to gaslight the supervisor into believing he had every intention of producing it.
I know, right? Like, bro, we have the body cam footage. Fletcher, thank you for the $4.99.
No, I have no record. I'm a Mason. I work. I know all the judges. This is crap, man.
All the judges.
I believe you when you say you know all the judges, but only because you've probably been in front of them all.
Oh yeah, dude.
If we can just get him to the pool car.
I didn't do anything wrong.
All right, lean up off the car.
This is unfucking believable. I did nothing wrong. I'm calling my lawyer. I'm so suing.
Okay.
As you can see, this officer sounds absolutely terrified at the thought of being sued over this.
You pull me over. You throw my bike on the fucking ground, bro. I didn't even do anything. I have no record, and you're treating me like I'm a criminal.
That's what happens when you fight, buddy.
I didn't fight. I asked you why'd you pull me over. You said you weren't going to tell me that. You didn't do your job. You work for me, bro.
I thought you said he worked for a corporate entity. I guess whatever talking point is convenient for you at the time, eh?
Yeah, I'll be calling Mayor Diesel. I'll be calling Chetwood. Dude, it's on.
Yeah, he's okay. I did that whole side. I got this whole side.
I'm calling my law firm tomorrow. It's on. You're gonna find out real quick. I'm not just any.
I'll give it Dave real quick if you just want to hang out.
Yeah, you're really important and not to be messed with. I can tell by the way these cops are completely ignoring your threats.
So, blue stop sign coming out of Winn-Dixie, blaring music, blue lights are flashing all over his backpack. I'm like, I'll stop this guy. He was speeding too, but I don't have radar, whatever. Stop him. He's immediately fucking throwing his hands up like the what the fuck thing.
Yeah.
Pull in. He's blaring music. And he's like, I'm a native. I'm like, dude, I can't hear you. Turn your music off. Like, I can't hear you.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I'm Officer of the Edgewater Police Department. Can I get your license, registration, proof of insurance? He's like, I'm not giving you shit. Why'd you stop me? And I was like, and like, dude, he's flailing, like being like extra. And he's like, I don't have to give you shit. I'm not giving you nothing. I'm like, dude, just give me your driver's license, registration, and your proof of insurance. No, I'm not giving you nothing. I said, I'm going to tell you one more time, and then you're going to go into handcuffs. He's sitting on the bike. He goes, fuck that. So I get his left hand. I get him around, get a cuff on. As soon as I do that, he starts to stand up and spin around. So I just went, nope. And then he landed on the ground. I landed on top of him, cuffed him, no big deal. So, sweet.
All this over a minor traffic violation. Sovereign citizens really are their own worst enemy.
No. Why are you pulling me over?
We're going to hop in Dave's truck. Come on.
Thank you.
Come on. I'm going to go to the truck.
Oh my God. Oh. I told you I'm really a fucking male patient.
So what is it? What's in pain? What are you saying?
My spine, I have a spinal cord injury and I've had fusions in my neck.
Where at? Upper?
Why act the way you act?
My C5, C6, and I've had a severed C3, and I'm not supposed to be thrown around like that.
You're not supposed to resist arrest either, but guess what? You resisted arrest. So here we are. Next time, hand over your license when an officer asks for it instead of trying to control the stop.
Okay. Oh my god, I'm fucking dizzy. I can't. Fuck.
Well, you can sit down if we get you to the truck. That might help you.
It's different than that. It's called me not being able to move my legs and walk sometimes because I'm a rare case at the Mayo.
Hey, real quick, I don't want to have to carry you.
So if all this you're claiming is true, trying to control the traffic stop and resisting arrest was the dumbest thing you could have done tonight then?
I know that. Well,
can we walk at least?
Bro, I was a quadriplegic. I broke my fucking neck.
Oh, he was.
There we go. There we go. God bless it.
Alright, there's a lot of room in here, so, but you got a little hop that you got to get up there.
I want to know why I got pulled over.
Just have a seat in the truck.
I still don't know why I got pulled over,
have
sir.
a seat in the truck and we can talk.
And now for a demonstration on why the police like to ask you for your license first before giving you the reason for the stop, when he eventually gets himself into the back of the car, that is.
I'm just going to help you make sure you don't fall. That's all I'm doing.
I'm not kidding. I know my shit.
Slide into the truck and turn.
You're going to close the door on my face.
I'll talk to you.
God damn it. Oh. I'm hurt. I'm hurt. I might need an ambulance.
No, we can make it to the hospital if need be.
Yeah, I'm gonna fucking need it.
Okay.
You hurt me.
Okay.
You hurt me. Oh my god.
You mean you made the choice to resist arrest, knowing full well that you had an alleged condition?
You need to slide in a little more because the door's going to hit your knee if I shut it right now.
You're not gonna tell me still why I got pulled over.
Do you want to know that or do you want to get to the hospital?
I really want to know why.
Okay.
I've never ever in my life been pulled over.
So when you came out of the parking lot onto the 442, you blew their stop sign, then you went all the way across all 4 lanes of traffic, all the way into the left turning lane. Your speaker has flashing...
442, I stopped.
No.
I stopped at the stop sign. You know I did.
Okay. Anywho.
I had both feet down. Both feet down. That's how I know I stopped.
You can still be rolling with both feet down. That makes
sense. I'm on a hill.
Third off, you have flashing blue lights on your backpack. You can't have any flashing blue lights when you're riding down the road. Third off, your music's obnoxiously loud. And fourth off, you were speeding. So that's why I'm going to shut the door.
I was doing 45 actually.
No, you weren't. Not until I caught up. Well, today you only got charged with resisting without violence. It's a misdemeanor, $500 bond. You pay $100, you're out. So I didn't even write you the tickets I could have. I just charged you with the one and we're calling it a day. And I'll be honest with you, if you'd have just gave me the stuff when I asked you, I wouldn't even write you a ticket and we would have been on our way. That'd have been it. I don't even write tickets, man. They're expensive. I don't care to write them.
So there we are, guys. Another sovereign citizen chooses the hard way yet again and finds out attempting the script, refusing to comply and resisting arrest while sitting on a motorcycle.
Lucas, think of the $5. Spinal injuries, but drives a motorcycle. I know. If I actually had that kind of an injury, I would never, ever, ever go ride a motorcycle. Ever. So, like, if he's faking it, he's a moron. But if he's not faking it, he's probably an even bigger moron. Because why the hell would you do that?
Your back, your bank balance, or your criminal record. Right, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please leave me a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
Okay. I'm kind of curious about this one. This might be the last one, though.
See the cases of two women who just won't stop attacking the cops.
Ty, stop walking. Ty, I need to talk to you. Stop walking. Ty, stop walking.
No.
Ty, stop. Yes. Stop. Stop. Get the away from me. Stop. No. Right now. Stop. Get off of me. Stop. Don't touch me. Stop. Don't touch me. Oh, wait for me then and talk to me. About what? You don't listen. Why are you going there? Where am I going where? To my dad's business? Yes. Well, because I went to you guys about my accounts being signed in there illegally in 2021. I keep going down there leaving messages to speak to your officer Viner about his 1099 code. I've never gotten an answer back. That's why I don't trust any of you. Okay, well, I have not dealt with you. Yeah, you have. Don't touch me. Get off of me. Get down on the ground. Get down.
Oh.
Get off of me. Damn it. Get off of me. Todd, stop.
I would have tased her ass.
You arrested me and did Miranda me last time. Get off of me. Get down. Do you want to fucking turn the around? Turn the fuck around. No. Yes. No. Get off of me. You're the officer. Where's your body cam? You big bitch. Turn around. Hey. Damn it, Saga. You're attacking me. Stop fucking moving. Do not bite me. I didn't bite you. Put your hand in my mouth, you dumb bitch. Get off of me. No, she won't get off of me. Stop. No, she needs to leave me alone. She's followed me. You get her off of me? Turn around. No, I'm not. Turn over. Get off of me. Turn around. You had no. You started it. No, I didn't. I was walking away from
Seriously, taser ass.
I was walking away from her. Ow! Can you please tell this lady to stop following me? I just left the police station. I just came from the police station. Asking to speak to one of your officers again. Like I have for 5 months now. 1099? Yes. When do I get an answer from you guys?
Put some gloves on.
How come I've never done it?
My radio stations. Yeah, mine's pushing.
You have anything on you that's going to poke us, stab us, stick us?
Yeah, there's a knife in my back pocket.
Which pocket?
I don't know.
Left, right?
I'm not sure.
Is it open?
No, it shouldn't be.
Okay. I'm going to go get it back.
Why is she chasing me down? I just left the police department. I literally just left the police department.
Hey, we're going to explain all this to you in a minute, okay?
No, you're not. You lied.
Why?
You lied last time.
I don't know your name.
I don't even know who you are.
Okay. We're going to roll you over on your right side, okay? You can check your other pocket.
No, great. You know, you couldn't have just quit chasing me. How many times did I tell you to stop? Why was I not talked to at the police department when I was just there? I asked if there was any officer to speak to. Why didn't you come out then? You guys aren't police officers, are you? You're not real police officers, are you?
Yeah, you're right. We're not.
Then why are you searching me? If you're not police officers, then why? Did you hear that? They just said they are police officers. She did. She just said that. Are you police officers?
Yes, we're police officers.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really. Look, all of our squad cars are right there.
Great.
Ty?
Yeah.
Ty, you're going to bring your knees up to your chest, okay?
Why is that?
Because I'm going to stand you up.
Maybe I'm just too tired.
I can just pick you up then if you want to go that route.
When do I get to speak to the officer I've been trying to speak to for like years?
Bring your knees to your chest, please.
I'm just wondering, real quick, you think you can answer that? Nobody's been able to answer me for years either. Because why? That's it. That's my purse and stuff over there.
Yep, it's all going to come with you.
Yeah, well, let's make sure because, like, I have a tendency to have shit missing. You guys are assholes. So what do you guys get out of it?
Wild.
Like, keeping me from knowing my information. What do you get out of it? No, really, what do you get out of it?
Oh, body cam falls off. But we don't have that up. We don't have that up on chat.
What'd she do? Just
Yeah, and then she hit me in the face.
So I just put these on the property?
Yeah.
So the warrant and then resisting and agbat. I pulled in and I saw your car.
Brian, think of the 13 months.
I was like tied down, let me run after you. And then I start jogging, and then she stops and looks at me. She's just, you're not talking to me. I went to go grab her, and then she turns on the deck, tries to like hit me in the hair, but she was like grabbing my, it was like, yeah, and she watched most of it. Do you need to see medical attention for your lip?
I don't know, do I? I can't tell.
It looks like you just bit your lip.
Yeah, well, I had my tooth put through my lip when the DCFS was calling me the first time. Didn't notice it until my kids told me I was bleeding.
So that's from earlier?
No, that was from like 2020 when my ex was trying to push his way into my house.
So right now, Ty, your lip is bleeding. Do you need to see medical attention?
I don't know. You know what? I was told that for court, I'm unfit to stand trial. So how can I have a fucking warrant for court if I'm unfit to stand trial?
Ty, I'm not sure about that. And the
I don't know
people at the
either,
court
but
will
somebody
be
should be able to answer this shit. I'm never getting an answer from anyone for like 3 years.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you again. Would you like medical attention for your lip? Yes or
If
no?
I go into the hospital, I guess, sure. I'd rather go to the hospital than jail.
Well, that's not how that works.
I don't know where I go. What do you mean? Do I need medical attention? Like, are you going to treat me right here in the car?
Yes, that's...
They're gonna look at you and they're gonna determine if you're okay or not.
Whatever, sure.
What's going on today?
She followed me from the police.
The police station and charged with aggravated.
All right, let's hear it. Aggravated battery. And resisting and contempt.
Battery to a peace
FDA.
officer, a warrant for failure to appear in court, and resisting, obstructing. She is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. This next suspect's actions cause over $10,000 worth of damage, forcing police to stop on the way to jail, where things get even worse.
I know you just were talking to these officers, but what happened tonight?
The same thing I just told these officers.
Okay, well, I just got here. What happened?
Well, that's great. Well, you can ask them because I just spoke to them.
Okay.
No
All right.
disrespect
Well,
or anything.
okay, well, put your hands behind your back. You're going to be under arrest for domestic battery.
Do my parents know your work? You're doing this?
Oh, yeah. Yes.
They do?
Oh, yeah. They do.
They're good with us.
Yeah, that's why they call.
Good. Cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
These things called rules.
I want my purse to
All right. Yep, we'll grab it. Is this your phone? Yep.
Wow.
No, I will not wear your fucking seatbelt. I don't care what you say. I will unbuckle it no matter what you do.
Okay, that's fine. Well, I'm going to put it on anyways.
Well, that's cute, because I'm going to unbuckle it anyways.
Good.
These little fucking fingers.
Just got to let you know you're being audio and video recorded.
That's cool. You're still not reading into my fucking Miranda rights, so I'll have that show up when the court shows up, too.
I don't need you. I'm not asking you questions. No, I don't. I'm not asking you questions.
I don't care. You're still arresting me with my Miranda. Yeah, you still owe me my fucking Miranda rights.
Okay.
No. Oh, no. What? What the fuck?
Yeah, it wouldn't help.
Get me the fuck out of here.
Okay, I'm going to drive you to the jail and get you out of
Yeah, really? Because you're fucking slow at that for someone who knows what he's doing. Oh, wait, you don't know what you're doing. That's why your fucking wife probably screams harder, harder.
What? Also, what?
I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna sue my parents. I'm suing everybody. I didn't do anything to get arrested! How the f am I getting? What are you even arresting me for? But I didn't touch anyone! The was inside! She never let me in! How could I have touched her? Get me out of here, you dumb fuck! I'm actually fucking done fucked up and fucking done fucking drugs.
Oh, slips Gus. Oh my god.
I didn't fucking do anything fucking illegal!
Break anything back there, it's a felony.
I don't give a fuck! I can't settle in court. Aw, is Daddy mad?
Holy shit.
You want to get tased? You're out of your cuffs. You want to get tased? Yes or no?
You're gonna be a piece of shit. You didn't arrest me for no reason? F it. Tase me. Maybe I'll feel something. Take your stupid ass little cuffs. I don't need your f***ing cuffs.
Put him down. Put the cuffs down. Put him down.
The fact that you are willing...
Step out.
I'm not stepping out.
Get out.
I'm not stepping out.
Yes, you are.
You can ask me kindly.
Please get out.
If you let go of my hand. The fact that you guys are...
Get out. Please get out. Get out. Put your hands behind your back. Yeah. Hold that arm. Nope. You're not going to do that. Nope. You just kick.
You guys are so stupid.
Oh my god.
All right. Let's try this again.
You? Don't touch me.
No.
Really?
No.
I'll kick you on the nuts. You don't think... I guess you're not the kick.
Oh my god. Wow.
Really? I'll kick you on the nuts. You don't think... I guess you're not to kick me in the nuts. I asked you not to touch me.
Get up.
I asked you not to touch me. Because I have PTSD from this shit. Go fuck yourself, you little piece of shit.
Put your feet. Don't stop kicking. Enough.
Oh, you think that's gonna work? You can't all lie.
What?
Stay.
Piece of
Stay.
You piece of scum. Get me there now.
We're working on it. Jesus Christ.
I can't let my fucking taxes pay for this stupid ass shit. So I don't fucking pay my goddamn taxes.
Yeah, I was gonna say bold of you to say that you actually pay taxes. I don't think you do that.
Let me out! You guys can see I can't breathe in here! What the
I can't breathe.
is wrong with you people?
After letting the suspect sit in the squad car for another 30 minutes to let her...
Bear in mind, on a planet of 8 billion people, there is a guy out there who's looking at this as like, yeah, this is actually my type.
Calm down. Officers get ready to get her out.
If we get you out of here, are you going to cooperate with a fingerprinting?
If you don't do fingerprints, we're going to charge you with a felony for obstructing.
Obstructing what?
Obstructing justice.
So can you explain further what that means?
It means you're refusing to give your fingerprints. This is the process.
I'll give you my fingerprints, but I'm not guilty of a fucking felony.
We still need your fingerprints so we can get this process moving and we can get you out of here, okay?
Thank you. By tonight?
By tonight, yes. We can get you over.
Fine deal.
By tonight.
When you say get me over, are you saying get me over to Will County?
Get you over to Will County, correct.
Okay, so you're not actually going to get me out of here.
We will get you out of Naperville.
Just get me the fuck out of here. It's not like it matters. You're taking me somewhere regardless. I have no freedom anyways. You made it sound like I would take your pictures and you'll be a court date and then bam, you'll be out of here. You guys were never, that was never your intention.
Right. All we're going to do is we're going to fingerprint you and we're going to take your picture, okay? How about we do that? So let's step out.
No, because what's Will County going to do?
So if you don't step out, then we're going to have to charge you with a felony. Felony
Why? What's the felony?
Obstructing.
Obstruction of what? I didn't do anything. I can't even
your
see.
fingerprints when you're arrested.
Yeah, but I shouldn't even be arrested. Like, who agreed that I should be arrested?
Hey, this is the chance how you get out of your handcuffs, like you've been asking. Okay, just come in here and keep following the instructions. You'll do okay. Okay. Come on, we're about to get you out of your cuffs. Okay, come on in here. Turn it face a little.
Alright, Megan, I gotta pat you down real quick, okay? I'm gonna take these handcuffs off you. As soon as I do, you're gonna place your hand on the wall in front of you.
Oh boy. Alright, do we have enough officers? We got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay? Do you understand?
Yes, get them the f off of me. I can't even feel my f***ing hands. Ow! My God, this dumb c*** isn't even
Well,
good
stop
at
pulling
a
your arm.
job. I didn't pull my f***ing arm, you dumb bitch.
Wow.
Walk in and go here.
Right.
The suspect continued being belligerent the rest of the night, even during her transport to the Will County Jail. She was charged with 2 counts of resisting, obstructing, 2 counts of aggravated battery to a peace officer, domestic battery, and criminal damage causing between $10,000 and $100,000 of damage. She is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
And this is why being a police officer can be so stressful. Police can approach the situation doing their best to understand, and the situation can still go south. Now, in our first case out of Milan, Illinois, police have to catch up to a female who appears to be aggressive over an unknown issue with her account. And the officer did attempt to listen and see if she could resolve the issue, but the woman wasn't up for it. The officer then tries to restrain the woman. However, the woman attempts to pull away, and then she pushes and allegedly hits the officer in the face. And at this point, she's struggling with this officer. And now the officer has to physically hold her down until backup arrived and placed the female in custody. Now, that was quick, guys, but thankfully backup showed up.
I would agree. I would say by the time that they're both on the ground, I don't think it would have been a good idea for the officer to pull out the taser, because it's possible that she could pull it out. I would have said that, like, what was it? Like, isn't it like part of protocol that if you have somebody who's like resisting and fighting back like that, like, you create distance, pull out, and then pull out the taser and fire.
Up when they did, because this woman had multiple knives on her, and this could have ended tragically for that officer. Now, in our second case, guys, out of Naperville, Illinois, police are speaking with a woman attempting to solve some sort of domestic issue, and instead of just being polite and giving a quick rerun of the incident for the officer, she refuses. And at this point, she's quickly placed in handcuffs, and from the moment she gets in the police car, she's becoming a problem, because she does inform the officer that she will be unbuckling her seatbelt. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'm guessing alcohol's involved. And just so you're informed, you might have heard the woman suspect say that the officer has to read her Miranda rights. Now, police officers only...
No, they do not have to read you your Miranda rights at the point of arrest. It's only when they begin questioning you.
Only have to read Miranda rights to anyone they plan on detaining for questioning following an arrest. So the officer was correct. And as she's in the back of the police car, she's beginning to show some real aggression. And you see this a lot as an officer. And then out of nowhere, she gets out of her handcuffs. And because of the handcuff situation, the officer stops the car and kindly asks the suspect to step out. And she aggressively resists and gets handcuffed again. And as she arrives at the station, her theatrics continue all the way into processing. But lastly, keep in mind that sometimes aggression can mask fear, and knowing this can sometimes transform a volatile situation into a constructive conversation. And other times, it just can't.
Obviously.
Huh? Can I call my mom? How did you get a positive ID on me?
Because I know who you are.
Hold on a second.
Step up.
I'm hurt.
I don't think I've seen this one yet. No, I haven't.
Welcome back to the Van Balian channel, guys. Today we head to Oregon for a video where Kennedy Walker, the man-child who tried to arrest a judge a few months ago, gets arrested himself after leaving court, where he is on trial for felony possession of a controlled substance, and his vehicle impounded by a deputy who was just in the courtroom with him, so he knows exactly who he is. Right,
oh boy.
Let's get into the video.
Hello, Deputy Rice Sheriff's Office.
Hi.
Hello. Kenneth Walker?
I don't answer questions.
Huh?
I don't answer questions.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you with the traffic going by.
I don't answer questions. What do you need?
Okay, well, I know that you're Kenneth Walker, and I need you to step out of the vehicle. You're under arrest. You have a warrant for your arrest.
For what?
All right.
I just left court.
It's an extraditable warrant out of Idaho. And I see you're recording. I'm recording too, just to let you know.
I just barely left court, and I didn't identify.
To our attention.
And you're saying I have a warrant out of Idaho?
Yes, that's what I'm being advised.
So I gotta step out and I'm under arrest? Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Let's see, can I call my mom? I know you're not gonna let me use the phone at the jail.
Huh?
Can I call my mom? I know you're not gonna let me use the phone at the jail.
The jail will let you make phone calls.
I like to think the deputy heard him the first time, but just wanted to hear him ask for his mom again, just for shits and giggles.
Yeah.
Let's see. Can I speak with your supervisor?
No.
Is there a reason why?
Yeah, I want to know how you got a positive ID on me.
Window only. That like when the car's going by, I can't hear you.
How did you get a positive ID on me?
Because I know who you are.
I don't know you. I didn't identify to you.
To be fair, you are pretty easily identifiable, especially when you look like this and possess only one t-shirt.
Can I get your supervisor?
I can see if one's available, sure. Are you not going to comply with my lawful orders to step out of your vehicle?
You don't know my identity, do you?
I do. I know you're Kenneth Walker.
I've never met you before, so...
But I know who you are. I know you're Kenneth Walker.
Do you have a warrant with my name on it?
In my possession, no. There is a warrant for your arrest. I'm being advised.
Well, I need to see that warrant before I'm going to submit to a seizure.
The problem with that is you're not in control of the traffic stop, even though you like to think you are. You'll see the warrant with your name.
Left court. Why are you bothering me?
He's requesting a supervisor. He's not complying. Step out for me.
Do you have a warrant to seize me?
Yes, there's a warrant for your arrest.
Well, show me it.
Well, in this situation, I don't have to show you the warrant. It'll be provided to you.
Well, you didn't use...
Step out of the vehicle, please.
Who do you want to step out?
Kenneth Walker.
That's not me.
Oh, it's not, huh?
Oh, here comes the gaslighting.
So are you giving me false info?
No, you're giving me false info. I don't know you.
I know you are Kenneth Walker.
That's my purse. I don't know you. Sorry.
If gaslighting was a national sport, this guy, who coincidentally runs the channel Kennedy Walker, would be a gold medal winner.
I'm not.
Okay, who are you then? I know you're Kenneth Walker.
I'm not. Go ahead and show me a warrant, though, that has my name on it, and then I would comply.
Actually show you
yeah.
The warrant, because it'll be provided to you.
Yeah, you have to have a warrant, and it has to have my name on it.
It does have your name.
What's my name?
The fact that you posted this video to a channel that matches the name the deputy has a warrant for shows how disingenuous of a person you are.
Kenneth Walker?
No, it isn't.
Okay, what's your name then?
No, I don't answer questions.
Oh my god. I don't answer questions.
Vehicle, please, sir.
No, you don't even know my name.
It's Kenneth Walker.
It's not.
Go ahead, step out, sir. Like
Who?
I said, you were under arrest for a warrant.
But that's not my name.
Okay, what's your name then?
I don't answer questions. Am I free to go? Am I free to go?
No, you're not free to go.
Why?
I told you you're under arrest.
You are arresting someone named Kenneth Walker.
Okay, then provide your ID then.
I don't need to prove anything to you.
Lawful traffic stop. Your vehicle's not registered.
A seizure.
I know who you are.
Which you need a warrant.
I know your name is Kenneth Walker.
It's not. It's not, dude. I'm telling you.
I
In other
promise
related
you.
news, Kennedy Walker is also a flat earther.
Oh god, he's a flat earther. No.
Just thought I would share this not very surprised.
Directed energy hoax. Oh my god, he thinks the Jewish space lasers started the wildfires. No.
But predictable news. I wonder how he's coping with the results of the final experiment.
I don't need to prove anything. You need to prove you have a right to seize me.
Yes, there's a warrant for your arrest.
Apparently not.
I know who you are.
You apparently don't, because that's not my name.
What's your name then?
I don't answer questions. Am I free to go? Apparently I have no battery. What?
You are under arrest. I've already stated that.
You don't even know who I am.
Kenneth Walker.
No, I'm not.
What's your name then?
I don't answer questions. Am I free to go?
Huh?
I don't answer questions. Am I free to go?
No, you are not free to go.
Well, what's my name then?
Kenneth Walker.
That's not my name.
Finally,
I think, I was going to say, I think he's just waiting for backup at this point. That's the only reason why he's entertaining this guy.
backup has arrived so they can start to put an end to this very poor attempt at gaslighting.
Oh, dude, what is he doing? Please don't get in.
Step out of the vehicle.
Please don't interfere, dude.
Step out of the vehicle.
Please don't interfere.
Step out of the vehicle. Do not resist. Do not resist. Step out. You are under arrest.
Do you have a warrant for me?
Yes.
What's my name?
Kenneth Walker.
That's not my name.
What is it then?
I don't answer questions.
Well, if your name isn't Kenneth Walker, which I know it is...
It's not, I promise.
Provide ID, because this is a lawful traffic stop.
I wonder if his mother is a victim of his gaslighting in the same way that he's trying to gaslight the officers. I really hope she's smart enough to not fall for it, but it makes you think.
Can I speak to a supervisor? This guy is accusing me of being someone I'm not.
So, as of right now, it's a lawful traffic stop. Failure to provide ID is also a crime in Oregon.
No, that's a seizure. That's a search or a seizure of my identity.
No, it's not.
The traffic stop. You don't have plates in the vehicle.
Stop means seizure.
And he's step out of the vehicle. Step out.
No. The stop is a seizure, but you are detained. Being required to provide your identification is not a seizure.
Well, hold on. I'm injured. Hold on.
Vehicle.
I'm disabled. Okay. Now hold on.
We're not gonna.
Well, you're seizing me without a warrant, and you don't know my name. What's my name?
Kenneth Walker.
No, it isn't.
What is it then?
I don't answer questions.
I don't answer questions unless they're convenient to me, like when asking for government assistance for whatever that disability is.
Well, if you're saying your name isn't Kenneth Walker, which I know it is, it'd be simple to prove otherwise if you have a lawful ID saying that it isn't.
I don't need to prove anything to you. You need to prove that you've got a reason to bother me.
You have a warrant for your arrest. I know.
What's my name then?
Kenneth Walker. I'm not.
No, it isn't.
Step up. Come on.
Dude, it's not my name. Hold on a second. That's not my name.
I was just in the courtroom with you. It is your name.
No, it isn't.
The time he tried to arrest the judge was cringe enough, but this is on another level. I'm almost starting to feel second-hand embarrassment for him. Almost.
Let me just see the warrant.
They will provide a copy to you at the jail.
So you're seizing me without a warrant?
No, there's a warrant.
So it's an illegal seizure?
No, it's not. It's a confirmed warrant.
For someone with a different name.
Kenneth Walker is not a different name than you.
That's not my name.
Come on, step up.
Can I speak with a supervisor?
Yeah, when he gets here, but it'll be in the back of my car.
I want to not be seized unless you have a warrant for me.
Jessica, thank you for the $1.99.
Dude, you don't even know my name. How is there a warrant if you don't even... Hold on a second.
Step up.
I'm hurt.
Then step up.
I'm hurt.
Then I'll help you up. Grab my hand.
Interesting how this guy can run around all day, annoying law enforcement and pretending to arrest a judge, but the second anyone lays their hands on him, out come the injuries and ailments.
Come on.
Here, just get out of the way.
I have lupus!
Jeez.
Please, I have lupus!
Keep your hand, Rudy's hand, please.
Yeah, I don't have anything. Okay. Alright. I gotta hold on to both.
Do you need assistance?
Just watch out.
Okay.
I don't think you could have made any more of a meal of that if you tried.
Oh, shit. Careful.
Can I roll up my window? Oops. Can I roll up my window? I'm not gonna cause you any trouble, dude. I'm retarded.
You already have been.
You don't have access to my house or any of my car or anything.
For the record, yes, he did just call himself the R-word. I honestly don't know where else to go with that.
Alright.
Oops, sorry.
Alright, self-awareness.
Okay, this way. Do you have anything on your person that cannot go into
I don't
jail, like
answer
weapons
questions.
of any kind, narcotics, tobacco
I don't
products?
answer any questions.
Okay. Just to let you know, if you do have any of those items,
I don't answer
you can't-
questions,
they can't be
and
taken into
you don't
jail.
even have my name.
I'm not asking
so.
you something, I'm telling you. I'm informing you of something, okay? If you have something under your possession that is not allowed in the jail, such as weapons, narcotics, anything like that, tobacco products, it's considered contraband. Okay, right here, sir. Right here. So, you said you're injured and have disability.
I need to
Can your hands go behind your back?
Why do you want to put my hands behind my back?
Because you're under arrest.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
You don't
Jedi mind trick. You are under arrest.
even have my name.
I am not under arrest.
The fact that he's still attempting to Jedi mind trick his way out of this tells you how delusional he is and the sovereign citizen movement is as a whole.
What? Dude, what is going on with you guys? Jeez.
Okay, so I don't cause you any discomfort to your injuries. I'm gonna place cuffs in front of you.
I have
Okay?
problems with my muscles. Yeah.
Okay. So that's why I'm gonna place these in front of you.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, let's see what this says.
You don't even know my name.
Yeah, so this gaslighting continued for another 20 minutes during the ride to and when he got to jail. So this is where I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to subject you all to that. Regarding the trial he was in the middle of, he was found guilty of 2 felonies for intent to distribute and possession of a Schedule 1 controlled substance. He partially recorded the trial and all of the jurors.
Wait. Well, depending on when this occurred, I think Oregon recriminalized a number of narcotics after their decriminalization experiment kind of fell flat on its face. I don't know if this is accurate.
Controlled substance. He partially recorded the trial and all of the jurors, I might add, but the same judge he tried to arrest a few months back must have caught him because he didn't record the verdict. I will leave a link to the original and a condensed version of the trial for anyone who is interested in the description. Right, thank you so much for watching.
Shout out to you, Van. All right, after this is going to be the last one on request. This is the absolute last one. I'm going to call it a night. And figure out a snack or something.
It's retaliatory. It's
Stop. All right. What
You said he said good morning.
So apparently this is out of New Jersey.
Morning to you. You said
Sir,
you.
and I did say you.
That's not an appropriate reaction to good morning.
No, because it is the first time.
Right.
And you've been hostile from the moment I met you because you're argumentative and you're hostile and you're angry.
Give me your
Miss
arm.
Wagner.
Stop resisting.
786. Stop up here, please.
On November 10th, 2023, officers from the Hanover Police Department in New Jersey were dispatched in response to a harassment report. When they arrived on the scene...
Okay, I was going to say, this has to be a Wegmans because there's no freaking shopping area that has this fancy-looking cart return area unless it's Wegmans, which, I mean, Wegmans is basically Whole Foods, but, like, even more expensive.
They spoke with a woman who alleged that she was being harassed by individuals greeting her with phrases like hello or good morning.
Hi, miss. How you doing?
Upset.
Okay, what's going on?
I'm being stalked, and I keep telling you all this.
Zulu 80, Edward Sierra Victor.
Right.
Okay.
And it's a bunch of people, they follow me around all day long. Hello, hello, hello. Fuck you, stop. Right, I'm not interested in engaging with you. And it's not a pleasant hello. They're not doing it to be gracious or wish you a good day. They want a response. So I was getting out of my car this morning, getting my stuff out, about to go in and get breakfast and send emails and things. And this guy comes out, and he's walking. He had a cart, and he starts yelling, "Good morning. Good morning. Good morning." And I tell her my standard response is, "Fuck you." And he pushes the cart, and then he comes back down, and then he takes his hood and puts on his head, right? And then he walks up to me, and I record him so you all can understand what I'm telling you, because this has been going on for a long time, and you all haven't done anything, right? It's a hate crime. He walks up to me and says,
"Did you just say it's a hate crime?"
This has been going on for a long time, and you all haven't done anything, right? It's a hate crime.
Oh, okay. This lady is actually
He
crazy.
walks up to me and slaps the phone out of my hand.
Can I see?
Yeah, you can see.
Can you play back from the beginning of this? I couldn't hear what was going on.
And I don't know if, and I listened to it.
All right, so I guess the cart returner gets a little bit annoyed with her recording or whatever or what have you, and it does look like he slaps the phone out of her.
So there's no sound here, but so I guess beforehand though. You tell him I love you. Right.
Mm-hmm. So I don't understand. So he said good morning to you?
Yeah, this is what they follow me around all day. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Move on. I'm not interested in engaging with you. It's harassment. They're doing it to get a response. It's not random. And I tell them like it's fuck you. I'm getting in and out of my car. Why are you approaching me? Good morning. And then again, they're not being friendly. It's not a general hello. Because they're not walking around saying it to everybody. It's not like they're being gracious. And what I tell them is fuck you. And then and now the response is I love you. I love you. I love you. I don't know. Why the hell are you telling me I love you? Or they tell me, oh, God bless you. I'll pray for you. Fuck you. They're doing it to get a response. But he most certainly can't walk up to me and touch me or any of my property. He walks up to me and slaps the phone out of my hand.
How many times?
How many times?
Yeah.
I gotta look, but several.
Yeah, several. For what? For me?
Yeah, for you.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I call you all the time.
Yeah.
This is.
But there's been
okay.
Several other instances, right? Morris Plains, you got thrown out of the hotel up there.
Right, and this is what this is what they're doing. So they follow me around. Oh, there's
who's they?
She drinks. She does this.
It seems to be the same thing over and over again. That somebody says something to you that's just a.
Well, that's not. Well, look, that's what you all want to put on it, right?
No, I'm not putting anything on it. You said he said good morning to you. You said fuck
Sir,
you,
and I did say fuck you.
That's not an appropriate reaction to good morning.
Yeah, sure it is. Sure it is.
Good morning. You.
When you have a bunch of people following you around, and
but it's never the same person.
Well, but this is what I'm telling you. They've taken my information and passed it around, saying she's a psychopath off her mess. Yes, I have videos.
Okay, no, she. All right, she's She needs to be Baker acted, or the New Jersey equivalent of Baker acted.
You all keep saying this, but here's the thing: you don't get to decide what my response is to good morning. I don't have to. I
understand
to talk
that,
to them.
but people don't have to tolerate what you have to say.
But you can't walk up. But you can't walk up to me and hit me. So you're telling me because I said "fuck you" to him, and he said "I love you," and I said, "Who the hell are you to say fuck you?"
That's just harassment.
Exactly.
So, did you get a plate? Did you get?
Yeah, I get a plate. Yeah. And we can do this all day. I'm not putting up with this.
What type of car was it?
Second hand.
Yeah.
We're fine.
No, I do not tell my coworkers you when they say good morning to me when I go to work. No.
Tell me what kind of car it is. This is you all's job. And I wouldn't be here but for the fact that when this shit started, the old man was following me around, calling me a no good black stinking bitch and attacked me. And y'all thought that was acceptable too.
Where was that?
In Montclair. This is where it started.
Okay,
I had to move. Yeah, but I had to move. But here's what I'm telling y'all. It's a pattern. This stuff goes on and the police tell me what my response should be. That's inappropriate. I can tell you when I'm in danger.
Did you feel like you were in danger?
Yes, I felt like I was in danger.
He was walking away from you.
No, he wasn't. He was walking towards me.
He was walking away from
He
you
was
until
walking
you started talking to him.
I did not, sir. That's not what happened. I was at my car.
We saw it in the video.
Getting something out of the trunk, out of the back seat of my car. He comes walking by. His car was parked on the other side. He's going to he had a cart he was pushing over here. And he says, good morning. And I looked up and to see who it was. He said it again. I said, fuck you. He pushes the cart and he gets agitated and he puts the hood on because the hood wasn't on. He put the hood on because he knew he was going to walk up to me. Then he comes back and he says, I love you. I said, who the hell are you to tell me you love me? That's not an appropriate response either. And then he walks over to me and slaps the phone out of my hand.
Okay. Did you get the license plate or not?
B68RWL. You can see it on the picture. Yeah, we can do this all day. This is why they do it, because y'all don't take it serious.
I don't know what you don't think's me.
What?
Your last name's Wagner?
Yes, and my first name is not Jacoba, it's Jaconda. Jaconda, right. I'm gonna do this all day. I'm not putting up with this shit.
I'm failing to understand what you're not putting up with. I don't understand what the issue is
I'm
so
not
far
gonna,
from our standpoint.
I've said what I had to say. Give me an incident report and I can file charges because y'all not gonna do it.
Okay.
You're eliciting these responses from people.
I'm not eliciting the responses.
Somebody says good morning.
I'm not
just ignore them.
No, because they're not going to stop.
Well, they're definitely not going to stop if you're saying "f you."
Sir, listen to what I'm telling. Listen to what I told you. But look, it's harassment. I don't. They don't
And you're also harassing them from what I'm reading here.
I'm not harassing them.
Well, I'm going to contact the other person and see what they have to say.
Well, you contact them. Good for you. I told you. I was in my car, getting the bag out. He walks by and says, good morning. I lift up to see who it was. He says it again. I said, F you. He doesn't need a response. He was waiting for
It's amazing, polite people in polite society.
No, mine is going.
And you wonder why nobody's nice to anybody anymore.
Right.
They said good morning to you, and
Yeah, right, true.
you curse at them. You're not being nice. They're being pleasant, and you're now harassing them and bothering them. I'm not judging. That's what happened. Your own admission, your own video.
It is harassment. What?
It's not harassment.
It is harassment.
Saying
I don't have to
good
talk
morning
to you.
or hello to somebody is not harassment.
It is harassment. When you do
I know you were an attorney, and I know if you could read the definition, that it does not fall under harassment.
Sir, it is harassment. For what they're doing, it is. It's not casual. They're not
you were an attorney.
I am an attorney. Right, and these people have just completely disrupted my life. They harassed the hell out of me to get a response. Now they tell.
Yeah, you're gonna need a lot more context and a lot more evidence to try and work around the idea that somebody saying good morning to you is harassment. Maybe if you could show that this person is like calling you over and over and over again, saying good morning, sending you random letters in the mail saying good morning, that kind of thing. You could build to that, but no, in and of itself, saying good morning to you is not. No, that's not going to fit the bill.
You go deal with the fact that they're taking my information around.
It doesn't qualify
Correct.
as harassment.
I'm not going to keep arguing about it. Just give me the incident report. I'll email you the video, and you can do nothing like before. But I will file charges.
Well,
I'm not going to keep arguing with you.
When he gets the video and he talks to the other person, if charges are justified from one stance or another, then they're going to be filed. So stop saying that nothing's going to be done as usual.
Right.
I've never met you before. This is my first time. And you've been because it is the first time.
Right.
And you've been hostile from the moment I met you because you're argumentative and you're hostile and you're angry.
Yes,
and you manifest it towards everybody else other than yourself. So that's how it is.
I'm not going to do it towards myself. Because when I have tried to be this polite,
so send Officer Puskis the video, and then we'll do what we need to do from there.
That's my email address. Please send it to me. All right, I'm going to see if I can reach out and contact that person. There's your report number. All right. If you need anything further, follow up. Excuse me? Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Jesus.
Hey, Miss Wagner, come here over for another second. Come here, please. Come over here, please.
No, I'm not. I'm done.
Miss Wagner? Yes, it's Sergeant Proc, actually.
Sergeant Proc.
Please step over to the car. You're now being charged with disorderly conduct. Step over to the vehicle. Miss?
Ooh. Okay. So. Cursing at the police officers in and of itself, I wouldn't say it's disorderly conduct. The only way, because it generally, an officer cannot be a victim when it comes to a disorderly conduct violation of that nature. So I don't know about this.
Don't touch me.
Miss Wagner, you know you're going to get arrested if you pull away.
Step over to the vehicle.
Don't touch me.
Miss Wagner.
Don't touch me.
Miss Wagner.
Don't touch me.
Miss Wagner, step
touch
over
me.
to the vehicle.
What's
I told you
disorderly?
several.
Yeah, I don't know about this one, guys. I don't think this would be enough to be disorderly conduct.
Now you're resisting arrest.
Don't
You're
touch
now
me.
going to, Miss Wagner, I'm going
Don't
to place
touch
you
me.
under. I'm going to place you under arrest.
Don't touch me.
Stop. Turn
Get
around
off
now.
of me.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Get off of me.
This is ridiculous.
This is
Put your-
ridiculous. Get off of me. Let me put my stuff in my car. Get off me.
No,
What
we're
are you
past that
arresting me
now.
for?
Stop.
It's retaliatory. It's a
Stop.
retaliatory arrest. Get
Miss
off.
Wagner,
No.
please stop.
Get off.
Miss Wagner, please stop. We've asked you
Get
several
off of me.
times. Please stop now.
Get off of me.
Miss Wagner, please
Get
stop.
off of me.
Miss Wagner.
Get off of me. Get off of me. Y'all get your man, 'cause Get off of me.
Miss Wagner. Don't fall. Don't fall. Please stop resisting.
Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me. You hurt my arm.
Give me your Miss arm. Wagner. Stop resisting. 786. Stop up here, please.
Yeah, she should have let it go. The officer should have let it go. Yeah. The only, I don't think it's good. Sarah, the only way they could do that is if they're going to try and hook her up for the original incident, because at least there's another victim. But if the only reason they're hooking her up for disorderly is because she said "fuck you" to the cop right there, I wouldn't say that's enough. I wouldn't say that's sufficient to hook her up.
Stop. Step up, Mike. Just.
I mean, because the reality is, I have a First Amendment right to tell an officer to go fuck himself. I have an absolute First Amendment right to that. Now, if I do that, if I yell that to an officer and and I'm standing right next to a playground with a bunch of kids hearing that might be a different issue. But if it's just me and the cop, I can tell him to go fuck himself all day, every day, and give him the finger and do everything. Yeah, I can do that.
We got one female template.
Get my stuff.
Stop.
Get my property.
7-0.
You so jackasses. Where's my property?
Okay. Walk over to Officer Pluskis' car, please.
Are you getting my stuff?
I'll get it. Relax.
Y'all are assholes. No fucking anger management class. Y'all did the same thing in Montclair. Y'all are fucking assholes.
63 to 70. I'm available. You need another car?
No, we're fine now.
No, you send somebody else. They're assholes.
Just check her. You have pockets here?
And I'm in pain all over.
Okay. Well, you're going to probably end up going to the hospital either way. So here, grab a seat, miss.
Right, whatever. Get my property.
Despite officers explaining that her hostile responses to greetings could escalate situations, Ms. Wagner insisted on her right to respond as she pleased. As officers concluded their report, she walked away, shouting obscenities at them. Ms. Wagner was charged with resisting arrest and disorderly conduct, and was later released pending her court date.
Yeah, overall, I would say that's a bad arrest. Yeah, I mean, the parking lot was almost completely empty. But notwithstanding all of that, she sounds batshit insane, and she needs to get some kind of treatment. That's setting aside what I would say is an improper arrest. She needs to get some assistance there. God. All right, I think that's where we're gonna call it a day. Oh, I think Winston. I think my eek is still in the covers. Yeah, he's still in the covers. But I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna see what we can bring up. Maybe we might actually play some Jackbox tomorrow. Also, okay, I keep on forgetting. I need I've already asked people advice on my Discord about a pillow. I am in desperate need of a pillow that's not going to cause me immense pain whenever I wake up. But I already got some advice on that. The other thing, I need to figure out like a vacuum cleaner, like a handheld. I got to figure something out there too. But anyway, tomorrow I got to wake up early. Got to go to the DMV. I got an appointment. That's going to be a lot of fun. And then I got to go to the mattress store and try out some pillows over there. You guys have a good rest of your evening. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Bye. Hit that like button on your way out. And yep, check out the Discord. Adios.